down in Vietnam. What's up, everybody? How we doing? BNGO is getting killed pre-market. It's getting killed, but it's actually not as bad as you think. Potentially, it's not as bad as you think, and I already know my voice sounds weird. Yeah, I think my body didn't really like streaming 7 hours yesterday. I'm kind of sick today, kind of. So that's great. But anyways, yeah, we need to hold above 640. That's the 21 weekly EMA. That's the most important level. I wouldn't be surprised if we don't, but this is a strong level. Right now it's at 640. If we look, it's hopefully it opens up down. Hopefully it gives us more time to actually hopefully it gives us more room to go down, and still be above it, because that's going to be a huge level. That's going to be an absolutely huge level to watch, and we hopefully it opens up where it is right now, because we need to hold above this. The markets are down right now. Everything's down. Everything high growth is down. Typically, when you have when you have the high growth doing great, and then you get one market pullback day, everything kind of overreacts the next day, I would say, or at least initially. Even AMC is down. Yeah, BlackBerry. It looks like AMC. I was reading some Wall Street bets yesterday, and BlackBerry seems to be their next target. And yeah, this is an interesting one. This one hasn't really this one's not as overextended as AMC is, right? I mean, it's still insanely overextended, but it's still at 86. But the fact that AMC is not doing something today, right now at least, maybe we can trade this thing. Maybe I can do some trade, and maybe I can trade AMC finally if it gets to something that I actually like, some decent setup, right? Right now it's down like 3% pre-market. We'll see what happens. What is everybody's predictions for the day? I put the stream on low latency now, so there should be very low delay. And I want to show you guys, this is what we're going to be coming back to time and time again today. This is going to be the thing for today. The short share availability, right? On Fintel, not only has the short squeeze score increased by like 10, this is why. Okay, this is why it has done that. The short share availability is way lower. It's way lower. Look at this, okay? 3 hours ago, it was in the pre-market, right? The heart of the pre-market. 1,100,000 shares, short shares available. What happened the last 2 hours? Shorts taking new positions. They are not covering. They think they can hold us down. They think they can push this back down to where they can be profitable. Right now, shorts are losing money. Okay, most of the new shorts are losing money on BNGO. They are not They are not even scared of people holding and squeezing at all. Okay, and rightly so. I mean, it's kind of partly so. Apart from this community, I mean, you really don't have much of a threat or a PR, right? Honestly, you really don't, because there's just no interest. And no one is looking at these stats. They are covering today, and what I think could happen today, it's what we see every day, right? Well, kind of. We could basically see at the open, I don't know if we're going to go sideways or go down to 640 maybe, but I can see one of the likely scenarios for today is that we go down to 640, stay there for a while, and then do our typical move of rising higher throughout the day. And then, I don't know, in the day nearly, I don't know, either close to positive or green. I would not be surprised if that happens. Now, of course, High growth has a proclivity for going down like 5-10% when the markets go down after like 5 good days in a row or whatever. So we can still get carnage in the high growth sector. That can certainly happen. If we look at the markets right now, the fear index is spiking. The SPY is down 0.5%. Russell, I mean, they're not even down. The broader markets are not even down 1% pre-market, and the high growth is shitting itself already. We'll see. There's a couple different scenarios here that could unfold, but yeah, this is, and I don't really I think this is just a cool down day for the markets. I don't think we did any I don't think there was anything that set the markets. Oh, was this it? Oh, okay. Oh, never mind. I didn't even see this. See, I just woke up. Okay, you can tell by my voice. I just woke up and my brain's not really working yet. But basically, okay, ADP Employment Report. This is actually better than expected. And this is actually bad for the markets. This is actually bad for the market. The employment report was great, but it's basically bad for the markets, right? Last time we got the report for April, and it was actually a horrible 266K jobs, and that was actually good for the markets because it means that it basically is more evidence for the Fed to keep having low interest rates and keep helping the markets. Short term, right? Short term help the markets. This is now saying and signaling them, okay, maybe it's time to stop. Maybe we're getting good jobs, so that's kind of maybe why the markets are freaking out today. So also the jobless claims is about right about expected. Okay, so yeah, it looks like all this stuff already came in. Good. And then we got some other crap that no one really cares about. And then we got the Fed, right? This is going to be big. Again, this is going to be big today. I hate the freaking Fed, man. It's such a gamble with the Fed. But yeah, whatever they say, it's just however people react to that. That's going to be later on in the day. That's going to be near the market close today. So it looks like we found what set the markets on fire today. All right. Good morning, Vietnam. What's up, Brandon? I love it. Good morning, Vietnam. I love it. I wish I could do the freaking Michael Scott version of Good Morning, Vietnam. I'm going to get there eventually. I'm going to get there one day. 640 is the level that we need to hold above today. We got 5 minutes till the open. 640. That's where the 21-day EMA is going to be. Hopefully, we can hold above it. Hopefully, the 21-day EMA on the weekly chart, right? So that's gonna be the level. Hopefully we can hold above that. And I was talking about yesterday like 1,000 times. I said none of these indicators matter if we gap down tomorrow, most likely. So if we could easily confirm the breakdown below 640 today, it's going to be interesting to see. So far we've held it very nicely, and that's why I love these indicators. All right, I got a comment yesterday that said, why do you get so I don't even know, it was why do you get so enthusiastic about these indicators that mean literally nothing? And I didn't respond to I haven't responded to any of the comments yet because I just woke up, but. This is why, because the price action respects them, and they are very important. And for anyone just getting in, this is the important thing today. Shorts are hammering Bionano right now. Okay, not like 50% short interest, but dude, the last few days, or actually the last few hours, literally in the last 2 to 3 hours, shorts have taken all of the shorts available, and they are making them unavailable. What does that mean? That means they're taking up new short positions. More short shares have been lent out, more short pressure, more selling pressure on the stock, right? Literally, that is the only reason why we're down pre-market. I mean, okay, that because of the markets? Okay, you can make the argument for that, but that's why we're down right now. They did not cover, guys. I'm telling you right now. A lot of these shorts took a position up here or here. A lot of them are holding through. They held yesterday on purpose. The short share availability only increased by about the normal amount yesterday. The normal amount, about, I don't know, from open, about 500,000 shares maybe, ish. They're not covering. There's 36 million shares being shorted in the stock right now, or at least out of the last data, right? It's something like that. It's probably more than that right now. Okay, when we get when it's June 10th or 12th, we'll get the new data in. But dude, I'm telling you, the short. It's not. They are trying to hold on. They are trying to double down and screw everybody. They're trying to make everybody lose money. Also, I found a little bit of a scary resistance level yesterday. I didn't actually know about this before. Let me maximize this for you. We kind of got rejected at this descending resistance level, but it's not the best because we have it's the worst. The price actually just straight up just ignores it right here, and then the rest of the time it kind of respects it though. So we do need to break. We're gonna have to break above that as well. It is validated. I mean, it is fairly validated, kind of. So. I'm gonna leave that drawn up there for now. 2 minutes till the open. 6:47 right now. What is everybody's end of day predictions? Are we gonna go green or red end of day and price? Eric tweeted last night. Yeah, Eric, the CEO of Bionano, tweeted last night. He said he said nice. He said nice on the Million Maker article, which is very weird, but it's fine. I like his confidence. I feel like people might sell to hop on the meme train again, but more cheap shares for me, I guess. Man, I feel like if people were gonna sell Bionano, they already have though. Look at AMC going down. See, this is why, man. Okay, let's see that RSI, dude. I'm telling you, we could do some trading on AMC today. If I see a setup I like, I'll trade it. Now I'm only doing like one share because it's extremely risky, and it's basically just for fun. But I'll trade it. And y'all can do one share with me if you want. Of course, please know what the hell you're doing, though. I need this thing to go down more, though. I need this thing to go down more than 58. Look at the freaking... Oh, my gosh. Oh, man. Let's see. Where's our next support level for AMC? Whatever. The market's about to open. Let's see what we open up at. 1 minute. We got 45 seconds to the open. 5-minute chart here. Actually, let's do the 1-minute chart. Freaking barcoding, man. Freaking barcoding. I hate the barcoding. Looking at that level 2 data, we'll see what it opens up with. Bulls and bears kind of messing around. It looks like bulls and bears both having fake walls. I would not be surprised if all of these are fake. Okay, none of them get filled. None of them get filled at all. I'm gonna put it on the broader markets watch list right here, so we can see what the IWM and the SPY and everything opens up at. 15 seconds. Here we go. What's our predictions? Last minute predictions. Yep, BB Blackberry is the meme. BlackBerry is a lot of Wall Street bet people trying to get BlackBerry to squeeze next. Starting my shift with live, Brandon. That's awesome. That's absolutely awesome. All right, here we go. Open. There we go. Hammer candle. Come on. It's probably just a barcode. Look at, okay, we got some buying coming in. Wow. All right, we got a lot of buying. How are we going down? Oh my God, I hate this. Literally, we get so much buying. One red order, then we go down. Look at that. 30,000 shares just bought ish. 30-ish shares just bought. I love it. We're getting the dip buyers coming in. I love it. Shorts recovering right out the gate. I like it. I like what we're seeing here. But I don't want the shorts to double down again, dude. They know, dude, the shorts on Bionano are in for a hard time if they are not going to cover. And I don't think they are. I think they're going to push this harder because they're greedy, and that's what they know historically. The shorts, they want a damn good profit. That's what they want. They want to push us down right after open. We need to stop them, boys. We need to stop them. What's up, Victor? What's up, my friend? How you doing? Damn, selling pressure coming in. See, this is what I hate. We get buying pressure that's like 5 times this. We go up a little bit, then selling pressure comes in. We go down like 5 cents. Like, what the hell? Looking at the walls, look at this. All right, this is just crap at this point. Dude, how else do you explain this? This is just bullshit. 660, 43,000 shares to be sold at 660. All right, you and I both know that they're not trying to sell 43,000 shares. It's the same pattern. Shorts, they are attacking at the open. They're going to pounce at the end of the day. They do the fake walls. They're trying to scare everybody. They're trying to increase the FUD. It's the same story every day. It's as simple as it gets, man. The squeeze is on the horizon. We don't know when, though. I mean, if the markets, I said this like 7,000 times yesterday. You guys probably hated me for it. If the markets do us any favors, we're going to hit our price target. Today, the markets, they're opening up very poorly, very poorly, very, very poorly. Yeah, the Russell is just absolutely getting annihilated right now. Wow. 648 right now. We need to hold the day. Bionano needs to close the day above 640, preferably to be above the 21-week EMA. 21 EMA on the weekly. Selling pressure. I don't like it. 10,000 shares just sold. Damn. 644. Intraday low. Workhorse. BlackBerry's up 24% now. AMC. Let's see what AMC is doing. Oh, okay. I might have to buy one share, down 17%. Oh, I might have to buy one share here. Let's look at that RSI. Oh, you're still insanely overbought, like I expected. Yeah, I want this thing to come down. Yeah, can this at least, if this thing comes down to meet the 4-hourly SMA, I'll tell you what, I'll maybe do one share if it meets this. If it hits like 47 at the end of the day, yeah, if it's like 47-ish, maybe a little higher. I don't know. We'll see. 650 right now for Bionano. 650. Yes, sir. Turning it into a hammer candle. Yes, sir. I like it. I apologize if I seem a little less enthusiastic today. I just woke up and I think my voice. I think I'm a little bit sick. 654. Look at this crap. Okay, 6,000 shares just bought. It negates all of this and more, and yet we don't do anything. Oh man. It's fine. Look, we go down off that. We go down after that. I was like, what? It's like, how? Oh, man. It's too funny. I'm telling you guys, if anyone's just getting in here right now, the short share availability has increased an insane amount. Look at the freaking short share availability. All right, what is this sell-off happening right now? It's shorts. All right, we talked about yesterday, basically none of them covered, okay? Essentially none of them covered. None of them. All right, look at this, okay? It did not increase at all. It only increased about 500,000 shares. They are still holding their short shares. They think they can push this lower. That's your ape language. We are not going to let them. We're not going to let them, boys. The markets do us any favors, and we're gonna squeeze this week. Mark my words. All right, maybe not squeeze, but we're gonna hit that 720 price target. Mark my words. 658 intraday high. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Them short, dude. I want the shorts to burn. You guys do not understand my hatred for the shorts on Bionano. Like if you're a bear on the market or some other crap, whatever, fine. But the bears on Bionano, I hate extra because they are so arrogant in thinking they can push this down so long without understanding the tech. That's just what I think. That's what I think, man. And you guys know the crap that they do. If you guys have been watching the stream, you know the fake walls and the naked shorting, maybe. Okay, I haven't talked about naked shorting on this channel, but naked shorting is a type of manipulation attack, and they do it And the proclivity for it goes up when there's fake walls. It just tells you that if they're trying to screw over the price with fake walls, naked shorting is the other thing that would be very closely related to fake walls, fake shares, synthetic shares. Failure to deliver increases more IOUs instead of actual shares, increasing the supply of the stock, sending it lower artificially. And that's actually bullish for us after that happens, right? It's bearish short term, but it's bullish after it, because once they increase the supply of it, well, whatever. You guys don't want to hear the whole spiel. Intraday high, 660 right now. Bionano outperforming everything else. Microvision down. Narrow dimension is green, basically. Bionano is holding up very well. Damn, AMC, holy crap. I should have bought the dip there. Wow. It's too risky, though. It's too risky, man. It's too risky. Lots of naked shorting in KOSS yesterday. Time to terminate all the stores. Off with their heads, man. Off with their heads. That's an order. Did you have enough sleep, Brandon? No, I did not. Well, No, I did not. I had a decent amount of sleep, though, so I can't complain. Not as much as I would like to, but it's good enough. All right, AMC is almost green now. Oh, my gosh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Look at that green volume at the start, though. I like that green volume. Let's look at that volume. Okay, so that's actually not bad. That's actually not bad so far. Well, about 1 million in volume. That's actually not that bad compared to yesterday, I believe, if I am correct. That's actually not that bad. I like what we're seeing here. What we don't want to see is the shorts doubling down in their positions. We want to see the shorts covering, dude. We want to see them covering their position. And we're going to know. Because of my freaking premium Fintel subscription, we're going to know pretty quickly if they're covering or not. We are going to know. That's what's so great about Fintel, right? I want to get the Ortex data as well, but this thing is just as good, man, if not better. All right, this gives you a lot of info. We will know. Based on the short shares available, we will know how many shorts are covering and what they're doing, man. Also, talking about the borrow fee rate. Okay, this thing's not really moving. Yeah, it's not moving at all. And then talking about the failure to deliver. Dude, the failure to deliver just got updated yesterday, and there is a good amount of failures to deliver of the last day. There is a fair amount of failure to deliver out right now. And what that means, and of course, this isn't something that's crazy high, but it is pretty. I mean, 280,000 shares that are IOUs right now. That's a fair amount of added artificial supply in there, man. I'm telling you, once they get those FTDs down, once they stop manipulating and shorting the hell out of the stock, dude, pair that with the already high 20% short interest, and you have a case for the short squeeze to be made within the next few weeks if the markets do us any favors. That's a contingency. The markets have to do us some favors, and even if they don't, there's still a chance that we'll do well. But we'll see, man. Markets. It looks like everything is bleeding right now. Wow, holy crap! Wow, Bionano is actually holding up very nicely right now. Because the markets are way lower than they were at the start, and we are way higher. Maybe not. As I say that, we just plunged down to hell. Never mind. Damn, bro. Dang. It's 22,000 share wall, 20,000 buy wall at 636 and 640. We got 14K. I like that. I don't care if we close the day at 641, okay? We just need to close above 640. Actually, let me see exactly where the freaking weekly 21-day EMA is. EMA, okay. 638. Okay, it's at 638. Okay, good. That gives us even more room. We need to hold, and that will move throughout the day most likely, but 638, that's what we need to hold above. 638. $6.38. That's where the 21 EMA on the weekly is. That was a very strong level of support. It should be. We got perfectly rejected on it yesterday. And then, look, okay, this is where we got rejected at it yesterday. Okay, it was right here at 636. We got rejected. Started uptrending after we got rejected, man. I'm telling you. And we confirmed it as a new support. I'm telling you that's going to be a strong level. Yeah, we're down 3% right now. Yeah, that kind of makes sense because the markets are just going. Markets are free falling, man. Markets are free falling. We got a 17K buy wall at 640 though. Yeah, I'm fine. Honestly, I'm fine if we close the day right here. I'm honestly fine. Like the market having a cool down day is absolutely fine, man. As long as tomorrow, what we need essentially is the market's not to shit itself. That's what we need. Russell 2000 is green. No, it's not. The Russell is way down, my friend. I wish the Russell was up. That would be nice. That would help Bionano a lot. AMC is back to being down 10%. Dude, AMC is just moving with the markets right now. Man. Mara is down a little bit. Bitcoin, dude. I'm doing Bitcoin. Oh, man. Can Bitcoin please dip again? Please. Please dip again. I really want to buy you and Mara, but I just can't. BB is up a fairly good amount. Wow, look at that. Wow, man. 20,000 shares just bought at 645. I like to see that. It doesn't do anything, though. It doesn't do anything. We still go down. What the heck? Oh, wow. Let me know if there's any news for Bionano or if there's anything else. Oh, just posted BNGO article bullish. What? What? Posted it on Investors Place. Send me the link in the Discord. Send me the link to that article in the Discord. Perfect timing. I was just going to ask if there was any new news. Yes, post that on the Discord, my friend. Post the link on the Discord. Markets are terrible today. Yes, they are. Yes, they are. Yeah, AMC bounced from like 16% in the red to being green in a second, and now we're back to being 10% in the red. Absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. Look at the freaking volume. 51 million, man. You got to be kidding me. Look at that. Damn, man. Wow. Oh, man. I envy the AMC volume for BNGO so much. So much. It's on Discord. All right, thank you. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at that. All right, we got a new article. Good, you're good. Did it just come out? 7:31 Eastern Time. It's 8. Okay, good. This just came out by Larry Raymer. This is the guy that's very bullish. Okay. Enticing on strong Q1 results and Sapphire's progress. Okay, good. I guess I'll just go over this right now. I guess. Well, should we go over that later? I feel like the market's just open. I feel like we should stay with this right now. It's news. You know what? Whatever. It's new news. We're gonna go over it right now. Screw it. Bionano expects to expand their user base 50%. Okay, 150. Yeah, we know that. Okay. Is there anything new here? Company sold record numbers of flow cells. Yes. Okay. Analyze the record number of service samples. I did not know the service samples record. Okay. Razor blade model, yeah, reoccurring revenue model, right? That's called a what's that called? What's the business razor blade model? There's another name for that that sounds better than razor blade. But anyways, those records are extremely important achievements for Bionano. It's 275% year-over-year growth for the flow cells sales. None of this is saying anything important. And the other noteworthy deal, UK National Insurance System agreed to launch Sapphire systems. Commitments to buy systems in the wake of those transactions, very well positioned to expand not only in the UK but in all of Europe. Yes. And the funny and the great thing is, oh no. Wow, look at the Russell. It's free falling. Holy crap. Wow. All right, we're breaking the support right now. 638, that is the support. 638 is where the 200-day 21 EMA on the weekly is. Wow, man. Classic, man. We get a push at the open. The shorts start doing new shares. Let me refresh this and see if there's any new shorts. If we got any new data here. Nope, nothing. No updates. It's gonna update pretty soon, probably. 636 intraday low, down 4%. That's painful. That's painful to see. It's painful to see. I mean, it's just what happens when the markets cool down like this. The Nasdaq, literally, the Russell's getting killed the most. Then the Nasdaq. Then the SPY. Then the Dow. No, then yeah. Okay, man, that's wow. That's just what happens, though. That's kind of just what happens. I mean, we've been outperforming the markets the last few days. It's kind of only natural for a pullback, so I don't really want to see anyone freaking out over this. I mean, the contingency remains the same for if Bionano is going to hit the 720 price target, right? If the markets do us favors. If they don't, we probably won't hit it. If they do, we're going to hit it and then some, in my opinion. So that's what it depends on, man. It's been the same thing. I've been saying this for the last 5 weeks, especially the last week, man. I've been saying this every day. And that's why I say it so often, because on days like these, people that phone win Bionano are like, "Oh no, it's such a bad stock," and then they start giving up, and it's not. It's just about the markets. Long term, we're gonna outperform the markets, But it's a weird day when everything is down except CTRM. CTRM. Where's CTRM? 10%. Wow. Yeah, this was a nice oversold play after that. Yeah, look at that. You could have bought it at 3 cents. You're already up about what? What is that? I don't know. A fair amount right there. Dang. 630s? Are you kidding me? We didn't even bounce off the 633 resistance support there? Man, god dang. Man. These shorts are too vicious, man. These shorts are going to get burned one of these days. I swear to God, these shorts will get burned one of these days. 13,000 shares just sold. Oh, man. Man, are the markets continuing to free fall? They are. Oh, my. Wow, we got a garbage can on fire today for the markets. BlackBerry has taken everything in the market. Literally, is just getting absolutely killed. AMC is getting killed. Rumble is actually up. That's actually cool. Rumble's actually cool. I'm gonna invest in this. This is actually a good one. Let me look at that weekly chart or that daily chart. $30 a share still. This is gonna do good things. 632. Oh man, look at those red candles. Oh my gosh. Wow. All right, on the 5, we are looking good on the 5 minute though. We're very oversold on the 5 minute though. Very oversold. On RSI, we're at what, 34? We're looking good on the 5 minute, but that's only the 5 minutes. So it's like, well, you know. Why the sell-off ridiculous? The sell-off for today, it has to do with a couple different things, okay? The actual sell-off itself is mostly, to my understanding, it is because of the ADP Employment Report, mostly. This was good, and that's actually bad for the markets because that just means JP is going to be more likely to increase interest rates. However, with high growth going up so high the last few days, oh my gosh, you have to be kidding me. Who is selling 38,000 shares? I want to smack this man or woman on the face. Why are you selling 38,000 shares? At these prices? Oh man. I don't understand it. I really don't understand when people do that. Selling at the intraday lows, are you not looking at the Bollinger Band and the RSI? Like, we're literally over. You could sell at least a little bit higher. You could have sold at 635, not 632. Man, dude, I'm telling you guys, if the markets do, and this could be really good for the markets. So think of it this way, right? What if shorts are taking up their positions right now? What if they're going to cover throughout the rest of the day for the markets? That could easily be happening. That's insanely bullish if that happens, man. Insanely bullish. Right now, the markets are getting a little bit of a bounce. Bionano is hesitating to get that bounce. Sellers coming in. Paper handlers coming in, getting out before it's getting bad, I guess, because that's what they think is going to happen. But the goal for today is for Bionano to close above the 21 EMA on the weekly. That's the goal for today. And right now, last I checked, it was at 638. It does move a little bit intraday. It does move a little bit. Seasonality and market cycle says weakness into mid-June. I kind of agree, but not really. No, I don't agree. Because, dude, it's all about the economic calendar. It's all for me. I think it's all about the economic calendar, right? We got the ADP Employment Report. The last report we got was April, and it was 266K jobs, which was actually great for the markets. I can explain to you why it's kind of complicated, but basically, JP was less likely to raise interest rates and crap. Because we got a miss. Now we got a huge beat, and that's not what the market wants. That's not what we want. We've got the Fed speaking today. Tomorrow we got JP on climate change. Somebody explain to me what JP is doing speaking on climate change. I don't understand. Why is the Fed chairman speaking on climate change, right? Why is the Fed chair? I don't understand. Shorts are the scum of the earth. They are. And the shorts have not covered. Dude, the shorts are winning the battle right now. The shorts are winning. They think they're going to win the war. They're not going to win shit. All right. I know we're going to win long term. At least I think we are. But dude, they are winning right now. They didn't cover yesterday. They took up new positions in the pre-market today, and they're winning. But honestly, okay, if it's going to be anything like the last 2 days, the shorts are just going to cover throughout the rest of the day. That's just what happens. That's just what the shorts do. If they have any sense at all, they're going to do that. I mean, but yeah, talking about your seasonality cycle says weakness in the mid-June. I think it's likely that we get a correction. I'm going to be honest with you. I think it's not likely, but I think there's a serious chance. That's why I keep saying to everybody, please know the risks about the markets. Please know the inflation could hit us all, and high growth is going to get killed if inflation is horrible. But you could also say, well, the 10-year break even is where's the 10-year break even? Where do I have the 10-year break even? And let me just look it up. Well, whatever. You guys know what I mean. I'm not going to pull it up. All right, I showed you yesterday. If inflation's already peaked, then the markets are going to everything's going to moon. Everything's going to moon. So we'll see, man. Here's the thing, Howard. Here's the thing, man. I disagree with you because here's the thing. If inflation has already peaked, dude, the markets are going to rally. And there is inflation's already gone up a lot, right? I don't know where you guys stand on the inflation issue, right? If you think there's going to be a ton of inflation or not that much, but regardless, you have to recognize the chance, right? I don't think there's going to be. No one knows for sure what the inflation is going to be. If it's already peaked, the markets are going to freaking hit all-time highs in these next few weeks or months if inflation continually goes down from here, which is not really what most people are expecting. But if it is, it's something to know. It's something to know, man. That bull case scenario, you have to know that. And you have to know the bear case as well. Bear case is Bionano sees $4 again. Seriously, man, $5 to $4 again if the markets shit itself. Worst case, I'm serious. Looking at AMC, it's still suspended, man. Oh, it's at 43 now. Oh, did it just go past the 4-hourly SMA? No, okay, it's almost there. It's almost there. Okay, yeah, that's my trade. All right, if we get if AMC comes down, guys, make sure tell me if AMC hits $38 because that's when I'm gonna add one share. I'm gonna play the 21 SMA. I'm gonna add one share just to trade it, just for the hell of it. 630 right now, dude. This is sadness. This is really sad. Oh man, the market's just slowly getting killed. Very weird, very weird. But you know, I mean, it's what you get when the economic counter. it is really crazy though. The markets go down like a little bit, and then everything just craps itself. And it makes sense. High growth has been outperforming the markets by an insane amount the last few days. It makes sense. Level 2 data is not very favorable to the bulls. Not really, not at all. Wow, there's no buyer stepping in. Everyone's scared. All right. Inflation targets will be missed. Instead of big 2 to 2.5, they will come in closer to 3.5. What do you mean? Like what indicator are you looking at? Core CPI or which one? Which one? Hold on. What CPI? Is that what you're looking at? I don't know. Anyways. Yeah, if inflation is worse than it is, it's going to be hell in the markets. What does it mean when they halt? So basically, when they suspend this stuff, apparently it's because there's a ton of volume and they can't fill all the orders. They can't keep track of stuff. But there's another theory that it's just manipulation. It could be a little bit of both. It's likely that it is a little bit both. But yeah, apparently it's they can't keep up with all the orders. I'm looking forward to seeing this freaking short interest data here, man. I'm telling you, there's going to be zero short availability. I think, honestly, I would not be surprised if there's zero shorts available to trade the next update that we get. Because this is the shorts doing. At least a lot of it is. All right. Thing about growth is priced in. Come on, like 50% from all-time highs. What do you mean? You mean inflation is over? You mean inflation is priced in for high growth? Is that what you think? Is that what you think? I don't know how to pronounce your name, but hey, Brandon, do you think that the $3 call for January 20th, 2023 is overpriced for BNGO right now? You got to look at the implied volatility. You got to look at the IV right here, the implied volatility for them. So if we look at the what did you have? For January 20th, 2023, you got to look at the implied volatility compared to the others. $3 one. It looks like it's less than the $5, but still higher than all the out the money ones, which is kind of normal. It doesn't look. I don't know. It doesn't look horribly. I don't know. I'm not an options guru. That's a better question for some other YouTuber. I'm not an options guru, man. I don't want to say something that I'm not sure about. So that's what you got to look at the implied volatility though. That's how you measure it. If it's overpriced. All right. Dude, look at these freaking walls. Why are they all even intervals? This is why it's all fake. It's just people messing around. Like, why is there 10K exactly on all of them? That's very likely to be fake, man. A lot of these are even on the bull side, a lot of these are likely to be fake. The markets are just hanging out all the way down here, finally getting a little bit of a bounce. Is this another dead cat bounce? Oh my gosh, it looks like it is. You got to be kidding me. You got to be kidding me, man. Why is everybody... I mean, we've known... Everybody and their dog know... I mean, I understand if the markets are going to correct 10, 15% here. I understand that inflation is bad. Yes, of course. I think that's going to happen if it does, right? But this is not... Dude, the employment report, yes, it's good. Technically, it's good for the economy, right? It's bad for JP and the accommodative policy. It's not justifying this crazy of a sell-off. Everybody and their dog knows that inflation is the JP is going to have to raise the interest rates. Inflation may be coming. Everyone knows that it may be coming. So it's crazy that we're already selling off this much. It kind of scares you that what would happen if they actually did raise interest rates on one of these days, man, which they will. Man. Do you know what the prospects are for AMA and insurance co-acceptance? No. Company acceptance? No. I don't think so, my friend. Hey, Brandon, thanks for the quick class. It's at 553, but it went down. Let me look at AMC. Oh, is it getting close? No, it's not. Oh man, did it bounce? No, it didn't. It didn't hit my target yet. It did not hit my target yet. My target for AMC is, if it happens, I don't know if it's likely if it happens, but if it happens, $38. That's the trade that we're waiting for. $38, then we're going to trade that. Let's see. Did it bounce off the 2 hourly? Yeah, it did. Oh, actually, now it's getting rejected at it. Yep. 4 hourly is the next. Yep, 4 hourly. That's the level. That is the level. Markets are bad. Yeah, they are. Tell me about it, man. Markets are bad right now. They are actually bouncing right now. Okay, looks like we are getting a bounce. Finally. Hopefully it's not a dead cat right here, man. Hopefully. A little bit sick right now. All right, let me read the article. Let me go to Bionano's chart here. 633 right now, not really doing much. Let me go to the new article that we got and read the rest of this, see if there's anything. All right. Remarkable scientific achievements. Man, this is like Larry Raymer's worst work ever. This article literally sucks so far. I mean, it's fine. I agree with him, but there's nothing important in here at all so far. All right. Reduce the time needed to analyze tumors and pains. Okay. Bionano's customers are developing validating new tests that can be performed with Sapphire. Yeah, they're talking about the new laboratory developed tests that are going to be developed. Yes. Among these are whole genome analysis with constitutional and genetic disorders. He's talking about the pediatric disorders, right? Prenatal and postnatal. Whole genome analysis for neurodevelopment disorders and blood cancers. That's good. It's good to see. We already knew this, though. Also in the midst of comparing Sapphire with older tools when it comes to analyzing prenatal and postnatal genetics, hematological malignancies, and solid tumors. The midst of comparing Sapphire with older tools. That's a little bit weird. What do you mean? Like the iris? What are you talking about? Like other traditional methods for that stuff? I don't really know what he means there. I don't know if that's something important or if that's just stupidity. All right, if these results of these studies are favorable, if the acceptance of Sapphire will become more widespread, I believe that the positive data from these studies would likely drive BNGO stock much higher. Oh, I didn't. What? Did he say that? Did he say that? I believe the positive data for these studies would likely drive BNGO stock much higher. Keyword, much higher. The CEO does not like to underpromise, guys. I promise you. I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you. All right, finally getting a bounce. Looks like the markets are finally bouncing a little bit. A little bit. Not really. A little bit. Oh, man. 636 right now. We need to close the day above that 21 EMA on the weekly, man. That's what it's going to be. 21 weekly on the 21 EMA on the weekly, man. We got to close above it. That's the level. Finally, Penn State has used Sapphire to analyze solid tumors and publish protocols how to do so. As a result, can expand into solid tumors in areas such as breast cancer, colon cancer, melanoma, lung cancer, many other areas of solid tumor oncology, including this, which I do not even know what that means. Okay, guys, I try to be as transparent and honest as I can. When there's something that I do not understand, I just shut up about it and I just let the people who know what they're talking about say it, because I do not even know what that means. Let's just Google that real quick and see what that actually means. Cancerous tumor. Okay, cancerous tumor. Okay, so basically just a solid tumor. Looks like. Damn, that looks. Oh, that grosses me out, man. I'm a little bit squeamish. Okay, bottom line on BNGO stock. Clearly, adoption of Sapphire. Sapphire's, and this is a new. For anyone that's just getting in, this is a new article just released, literally like not even 30 minutes ago by Larry Raymer, our bullish analyst. So here we go. Rapidly accelerating while new vital, potentially life-saving uses are being found. Yes. Given these points, along with the relatively low market capitalization of BNGO stock, I remain very bullish on the name. All right, well, that was pretty much just that was pretty arbitrary. I'm not gonna lie. Somebody tell me if y'all are seeing something in this article that I'm not. But that was a very anticlimactic article. There was pretty much zero in that I didn't know. I mean, what did he say? What did he say about the? He said something about the CEO saying it was gonna go higher if where was that? He said. Yeah, okay, right here. Wait, no. Much higher. Yeah, here it is. All right, I guess Holman said, apparently, I don't know when he said this, I don't remember this, the positive data from these studies would likely drive BNGO stock much higher. I don't remember that quote. Let me just Google that real quick, because I for some reason, I don't trust that quote, because I feel like I would have remembered that. I feel like I would have wrote that down in my notes, if he actually said that. Let me just control F that. Let me just fact check this guy real quick. No, I don't want the freaking... I want the earnings call transcript. Oh. All right, much higher. Nope, there's nothing. I mean, there's not an exact quote. Nope. Maybe he was paraphrasing, but there's no exact quote there. What the heck? Somebody fact check that quote for me, man. I'm not going to go into digging rabbit hole right now because that would be a little bit boring, lose a lot of viewers, but yeah. What is the highest average price for AMC you would consider good? Guys, I'm trading AMC today. Oh, there we go. Oh, I missed it. Did I miss it? Wait, no, I didn't. It's $38, isn't it? Damn, you guys got to tell me if we're going to hit $38. I'm trying to trade AMC today. I'm trying to do one share a trade. Please know what you're doing if you're going to match me in this trade. Please don't match me unless you really know what you're doing. Because this could easily go way wrong. Okay, dang, it already almost hit. Yeah, once the AMC hits $38, actually, you know what? I'm just going to put an order in just to make it simple. I'm just going to put an order in for one share. Just one share, man. That's too funny. Oh, man. I'm such a troll. I'm such a meme. I'm such a memer. All right. $38.98. $38.98, that's my order right there. Yep, let's see if it gets filled. I honestly wouldn't be surprised if it touches it and just doesn't get filled. That's going to likely be a very strong level of support right there. If it touches that again, right? It would have to go all the way down to 39, but it can. Hey, on the RSI, you're still extreme. And here's why yesterday I knew it was going to, or at least I thought it was going to come down. Okay, look at the freaking weekly Bollinger Bands, man. You closed the day yesterday at like freaking 60 or 70 something, and the weekly Bollinger Band is at 41. Having a candle closing above the weekly Bollinger Band, extremely unlikely, and you already did that once. So, I mean, there's a fair case to be made that you're going to close, that AMC is going to close the week below 41, right? But hey, short interest, the hedges could continue covering. They definitely could. What do you mean zoom out? Can't see level 2 ask. What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? You can see it. It's right there. Level 2 ask is right there. You should be able to see it. Yeah. You should be good to go, my friend. There you go. It's right there. 636 right now. Let me check that short interest data, see if anything is going on here. Live trade AMC. Hell yeah, man. Hey, I tried to do more live trading, but my freaking other account, the Roth IRA, is still freaking... It's still auditing. Okay, no, never mind. It's good now. It's gonna. Okay, they accepted my Roth IRA. All right, now I got to deposit money in there, and then I'm gonna have a whole account. It finally accepted. Let's go. I'm gonna have a whole account to do live trade. I'm gonna do like $100. I'm gonna put like $100 in there, and then we're just gonna do like one share trade. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. I'm gonna try to like 20x the account, which I probably won't, but we'll try. I'm gonna try to do it at least. All right, look at this crap right here, guys. I want to show you guys market manipulation attempts, maybe. All right, not proven, but this is absolute crap right here. 38,900 shares to be sold at 639. You and I both know they're not selling a single share there. It's fake. All right, it's been fake. It's been fake. I mean, we've proved it like 7 times. Almost all of the big orders, even on the bull side, but especially on the bear side, are fake. And what does that tell you? That tells you that there are people out there, there are bears on Bionano stock trying to push the stock price artificially lower. It's just a fact. It's just a fact. And what does that mean? It means that naked short, not only is naked shorting more likely because of the fact that they already have a proclivity for faking the shares, for using fake shares essentially. And there's a good case to be made that these are actually synthetic shares, fake shares that are being offered up. Because for some reason they always stay there and they act like it looks like they're about to get filled, but they never do. And maybe that's algorithms. Maybe that's the hedges setting up algorithms to stop an actual order to go through. But I had never heard of anything like that. Also, it would just make sense if it's naked shorting and it's synthetic shares. It would just make sense. Okay, would it not? The failure to deliver. Let me show you guys a stat right here. This is a little bit complicated. I'm going to have a video explaining these in more detail one day, hopefully. Failures to deliver, right? This is when a broker like Webull, right? When you ask to buy a share, instead of giving you an actual share, they give you an IOU for a share, right? So they give you, and what that means, that's one failure to deliver, right? If I put an order for one BNGO stock and they give me a share that is not an actual share, they give me an IOU. That counts as one failure to deliver. What do failure to delivers do? They increase the supply of the stock artificially. And sometimes there's honest mistakes, but when you get millions and high percentages of the float being that are failure to delivers, right? You start increasing the supply dramatically, and that inherently pushes the stock price down. Guys, think of the supply and demand law, right? Higher supply, lower demand. That's just how it is. That's as simple as it gets. All right, naked shorting with the fake walls, the proclivity for it has only increased. I think there's a very, very high likelihood There's not much evidence for short ladder attacks. I mean, there is, honestly, but also naked short. Naked shorting is the one that I very much think has happened. I very much think that naked shorting has happened. All right, we can't see the right side of your screen. Yes, you can. You can see right here. You can't see the bottom, but you can see this though. You can see up here, right? I hope you can. You should be able to. Yeah, you can. I'm looking at it right now. Yeah, you can, bro. What are you talking about? Can the artificial shares go down? Yes, and that's what's so bullish, my friend. John, that's what's so bullish, my friend. That's what's so bullish, and that's a good point. Can the artificial shares go down? Yes, my friends. If they increase these too much, guess what happens? The whole system crumbles. The whole system crumbles. So basically, as this gets higher, and this is not, okay, 288,000 shares is basically nothing. We've had in the past, we've had, 4 million failure to delivers, okay? Yes, there's failure to delivers. Yes, market manipulation is likely, but this is not the best evidence for market manipulation because it's only 288,000, right? That's not a lot. And remember, these are not how many failure to delivers are on the day of. These are how many failures to deliver are left outstanding, if that makes sense, right? That have not yet been fixed, right? If that IOU has not actually been fixed, right? That mistake, right? Intentional mistake a lot of the time has not been fixed yet, right? That's what these are. And that's for all of the days prior, right? Right now, we only have 300,000 shares that are failure to delivers right now out of all of them. Apparently, according to this data, according to Fintel, of course, this data can be totally wrong. This data probably is probably totally undershooting it, most likely. But anyways, what was I saying? Yes, as they are going to basically, yes, half. Yes, I know. You can see half. Yeah, I know. You can still see most. You can see the important stuff though, man. Come on, you can see all this. That's what's important. Who cares about what's going on down here? We care about the short term, man. I mean, and I'll tell you what's going on down here if there's something important. I'm sorry. I'm not trying to be disrespectful, but you can see most of it. You can see all of it except the last, the last 10 rows. You can see 2/3 of it, bro. You can see 2/3 of level 2 data. Come on. It's all right. I think it's all right. All right, 13K shares to be sold at 650, fake wall. 10K to be sold at 642, fake wall, boys. Anyways, what I was saying, yeah, okay. Anyways, to wrap this up, right? There is a point to this whole failure to deliver thing. They are going to fix those IOUs eventually, right? Inevitably, they have to. Basically, if it gets too high, and that decreases the supply, increases the demand, and sending the stop price higher. It's as simple as it gets, and they have to do this. They have to. There's no doubt. They have to do this. The brokers themselves, we're talking about the brokers, right? They have to do that. So it is bullish. The higher this number is, it's worse. Like immediately it's worse, but it's still bullish long term though, because they have to fix that eventually, right? All right. I can only see the bid side. You can see. What do you mean? What do you mean? You can see the ask side. Oh, crap. Oh, my God, I'm stupid. Never mind. Wow, what am I doing? What am I doing? Oh, I'm stupid. I am stupid. I'm sorry. That's my fault. That's my fault. Okay, it should be better now. Yeah, it should be better now. Wow, I'm stupid. I'm stupid. I'm sorry. Damn, I'm dumb, man. I didn't see that. Dang it. All right, well, it should be good now. Dang it, I'm so dumb. Dang it. All right, it should be good. Is it good now? Let me know if it's good now. It should be about perfect now. Let me get that about perfect right there. Is that perfect? I think it is. Yeah. Yep. All right. That's good to go right there. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, man. I'm a noob to YouTube, man. I'm a noob to YouTube. Oh, wow. I'm so dumb. Look at that. Oh, man. This is an idiot right here. This is an idiot. Idiot. Yep. Idiot right there. Oh, man. Oh, gosh. 641 right now. Can I get rich with 10 AMC shares? Good luck, my friend. I wish you the best of luck with that, though. Seriously. All right. Let me check the markets. Are the markets doing something for once? They are. The markets are going up, yet Bionano's not following. That's very bullish for Bionano short term. Would not be surprised if we start climbing here. The markets are going up. I think we're disproportionately not rising as much as other stocks are right now. High growth is taking a beating today. High growth's taking a beating today, man. Oh man, that's too funny. That's too funny, man. I feel like an idiot. Man, god dang it. And was it always like that, or did I just screw that up today? Has it always been screwed up like that? Please tell me it hasn't always been screwed up like that. Man, I'm dumb. All right. Mara, Bitcoin, please be bleeding right now. I need you to go down. You're going up. I need you to go down, Mara, and Bitcoin, go down. I want to buy you. Fear index is actually getting killed. Dude, this is very bullish for the rest of the day. And dude, it's exactly what we predicted, right? Not predicted, right? I said this is one of the scenarios that could unfold, and it looks like it may be, right? Shorts taking their new positions right at the open, right? After that market open push, covering as the day goes on, dude. And we already know. A lot of those damn shorts have not covered yet. Almost all of them, right? We don't know the total short interest right now of today, but what we do know is that it's probably likely to be about 20% what it was last time, last effective date. And based on the short share availability, it's very likely that these guys are still in the stock. It's very likely, man. It's very likely. They are not covering yet. Look, there's only 250,000 shares available as opposed to earlier this morning in the pre-market, there was 1 million shares. What does that tell you? New shorts taking new positions. All right. I feel so bad about that. Oh my gosh. I feel so bad about that. All right, I got to focus on something else. All right, BB is still doing well. Days to cover. Days to cover is actually very weird. Days to cover has not actually come in yet. The days to cover data has not come in yet. It's literally, I don't understand. Somebody explain this to me. Why, man? Why is there no data here? There's no answer for it. They don't understand. It's too high. It's too high. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. We'll see. Also, talking about the institutional put-to-call ratio, right? There's different ways to interpret this, but basically it's been getting lower, right? It's been getting lower, which is good because this means the lower this is, the more calls there are from the institutions, right? There's been more of these in the last few days compared to earlier, right? It was very high before the run-up. When we peaked, it was the puts. There were more puts, and now there's more calls. Extremely bullish, my friends. Bullish. 639 right now. Wow. Tanking right now. Wow. What happened is the market's taking a little bit of a dump. See, this is what I hate. The markets go up a lot. Bionano goes up a little bit, and then the markets go down like a little bit, and then Bionano's like, Titanic, go down to the bottom of the ocean. It's like, god dang it. Have you seen Workhorse? I'll add Workhorse to the, what do you call it? Workhorse Group. I'll add this to the high growth and meme stocks. Sorry if I'm sick today, boys. I'm going to get better later. I'm going to get better today. I'm going to be better later. All right. The volume on this one, let's check the daily volume. It looks like right now you're looking at 61 million. Oh my gosh. 61 million. Dude, this stock has gotten absolutely killed, man. Oh my gosh. This thing has gotten absolutely look at that oversold. Look at that golden RSI right there. That's an obvious buy. If you're bullish on this company at all, I hope you guys add on the dip if you're bullish on this one, man. That's about as good as it gets right there. Look at that. Look at this sell-off, man. That's just a meme right there. That's like, you guys know that those memes, the Stonk memes, Dustin O'Daffer, Bizonacci, all those guys, the Boganoff memes, the Bitcoin memes. Literally, when you buy it, this is it. Dump it, right? Bog answering his phone, getting the phone call, dump it, and then boom. That's like a real life example of that. It's awesome. 638 right now. 639. Nothing interesting at all. Let's check the volume compared to Nano Dimension right now for Bionano. You're looking at 3 million, almost 4 million in volume. Daily volume. Let's try that again. Daily volume for Bionano compared to Nano Dimension, which is less than 3 million. That's good, but we're not really doing good. Okay, it's good compared to Nano Dimension. It's not horrible, but we need better than that. We need more. Check the link, Brandon. What? Scroll down. What link? To what? Link to what? My dog shorted small caps. Oh man. When do you think we will get a PR bomb? I think it's gonna be soon. Man. There's no link here. We already talked about this. We already went over that article. Dude, there's no news right now. Let me refresh the Twitter. God, I want a big PR release. It's time for a big PR release. It's time for them to announce freaking adoption. Sapphire adoption. And of course, most people would not care just because they're stupid, but we would care and we would be happy with that, man. We need a big PR release. It's time. Dang, we're down 4%. It doesn't seem like we're down 4% today. It only seems like we're down a little bit just because yesterday was so awesome. What link are you guys talking about? What link? Is there new news? I don't think there is. I don't think there is. If there is new news, email me it or do the Discord. Either one is fine. It's time for a big PR release. I think it is. I think it is. We have 1.3 million more in volume compared for the first 30-minute candle compared to yesterday's. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, very nice. Well, yeah, that is much higher, but it's red. It's red, so it actually is not, right? But yeah, we'll take it, I guess. I guess we'll take it. Look at the price, right? Let's be optimists. Oh man. All right, let's look at the short term. Let's do some short term indicators here. All right. We're up from higher highs here. Not really. I mean, we're up from higher highs and higher lows, kind of from the bounce, from the lowest point. But oh god, this is painful. This is painful to see, man. The Nasdaq's not even doing that bad. Oh my gosh. Man, I hate to see this. This is such an overreaction in high growth. I hate how high growth always underperforms the markets when we go down. And it makes sense. We outperform when we go up. But man, this is just outrageous at this point. Let's check AMC. AMC does not want to hit my buy order. It does not want to fill. It does not want to fill at all. Dang. What the hell? Okay, looks like every high growth, looks like everything is taking a nice dump right now. A nice nosedive in the garbage can that's set on fire right now. Dang. Dang, this is a painful day. This day hurts my soul. I think they will release a ton of news all at once like in January. They could, dude. They released a ton of news in not even January, but after the quarter four 2021 earnings, they released a ton of good news. Market algorithm controlling BNGO. Yes, it is. All right, let me check that news. The news for AMC. Let me check it. Did you link it? I don't have it. I don't have it. It's not on. It's not here. I don't think. Canada stock today. Yeah, it's not here. I don't have that link. I can take a look if you want, I guess. Took a dive in volatile trading yesterday, Thursday, after the movie theater operator announced a deal to sell up to 11.6 million shares. Is that new? Is that new? Or was that the one they did a couple days ago? If it's new, then yeah, of course it's a little bit bad. Yeah, of course it's bad. 11.6 million isn't that much. I think isn't the AMC flow like 500 million shares? Do you think there will be another good buy spot next month? I had to sell to get a new car. for BNGO or AMC? I assume you mean for BNGO. I assume you mean. Here's the thing. For Bionano, I believe that it's all going to be with the economic calendar. It's all about inflation and the Fed's stance on accommodative policy. That's all it is. I mean, that's all the markets are essentially these next few weeks and months. That's all it's going to be. It could be really good with inflation peaking already, and then we would all moon. But if not, it's going to be rough. It's going to be rough, and you will get a better buying point if it's rough. Which it's up to you to determine whether you think inflation's done yet. That's what it comes down to. I think that's what it comes down to. Yeah, that was old news. Yeah, I thought that was. That sounded familiar. I thought it. Well, yeah, okay. I mean, I got people saying it's new and it's old. What? What? I'm so confused, bro. Some people are saying it's new. Some people are saying it's old. Let me just look it up here. AMC. Let me see. AMC offering 11.6 million shares. See if anything comes up. Okay, 1 hour ago. Okay. On potential sale, but they didn't do it yet. I'm gonna do Forbes. I don't like Forbes though, but here we go. But warns investors could lose all of it. Okay. Hold on. Get out of here. The freaking ads. Get out of here. Ah. Oh my god. How many ads do you need, man? My god. Journalism, man. Journalism. 722 million. Okay, AMC, the world's largest movie theater, changed. Has enlisted Citigroup to help it raise as much as 722 million based on Wednesday's closing prices, according to a new filing. Yeah, that's what we need to look at. Screw the freaking article. The article doesn't even freaking understand this crap. Okay, let me... Sorry, I got to freaking blow my nose. I'm freaking sick. Oh, man. All right, let me... All right. It's a Form 8K. Okay. The market class of a Class A common stock. I'm not getting any numbers here. I'm not seeing any numbers. Where's the numbers? Okay, here we go. Is this it? Okay, here we go. The market prices. Class A common lowest 1.92, 76, 72 on June 2nd. Class A common stock 62 per share. Okay, what is the numbers though? Tell me the numbers. Oh my gosh, it's annoying. Maybe I'm just not finding it. Sales agreement 2.5%. All right, whatever. I can't find it. Anyways, I don't want to lose all our viewers looking for freaking SEC finals. But yeah, basically for AMC, it looks like they might sell more shares. Yeah, that's obviously bearish, but I don't see it on the news tab. So little bit confused. Webull is slow to react very often. Very often it is slow to react. So, but yeah, that is not good. That is not good. Here, let me control F11 million though. I don't see 11 million. There's no 11 million. What? The SEC filings mentions nothing about 11.5 million. Part of it, Matt. So it looks like they are going to use it to pay back debt, right? But offerings are not good, man. But it's only 11.6 million, so that's not a lot. I mean, the float. What is the AMC's float here? Let me look at AMC's float real quick. AMC's float is like, I think it's like hundreds of millions of shares, dude. It's not going to do anything for as far as dilution, really. Let's see here. Look at that freaking chart, man. Why do you even draw up that resistance, dude? That's BS. All right, shares in the float. Wow, there's a lot more shares outstanding. That's a little bit interesting. 417 million in the float. So yeah, that's not going to do much. That's not going to do much, man. Somebody fact check me right now, though. I believe AMC did another offering a couple days ago, right? So this is the second offering they did, and it totals about 20 million shares, does it not? Of selling 20 million shares to institutions, does it not? Is that right? I could be wrong on that. I don't keep up with AMC. I keep up with BNGO. I'm a BNGO guy, not an AMC ape. I kind of am, but not really. I mean, no, I'm not. I don't hold any shares, so I guess I'm not. It does not want to fill my order for one share. Oh, man. 638 right now. Bionan is 638. Let's check the markets. Dude, the Russell, everything is doing well. Everything is doing well right now, but it looks like we're kind of getting a little bit of a slow recovery, which is not, it looks like we're going to get some doji candles here in a little bit, signaling a potential reversal, which is not going to be what we want. But I need that Vanguard. I read that Vanguard is now owing 18 million shares since yesterday. What? Finally, June 1st. That's not new news, though. Vanguard, there were 4 new filings on the 1st, 2 days ago, about Vanguard adding a ton of shares. Yeah, they do own a ton of shares, though. That sounds about right. Over 18 million shares. That sounds about right. They are one of the biggest. Yeah, they are literally the second highest institutional owner of Bionano. It looks like. Stock distribution agreement, right? Yes, I guess it's 11 million. Okay, well, yeah, Marcus. My final thing on the AMC thing is that it shouldn't dilute it too much, but people are gonna freak out about it. I wish I had I wish the SEC filing was not autistic, or I wish I could actually find the actual details here, but it doesn't say any of them. Okay, never mind. I just found it. I'm stupid. Okay, man. I'm so stupid. It's right. It's the first thing. It's early in the morning, boys, and I didn't get much sleep, and I'm sick. Okay, give me some slack, boys. Sell up to 11 million shares of Class A common stock per share through an at the market offering, though. At the market offering, that's the keyword. So yeah, that's not going to be as bad as if it was like a premium, 25% premium to the current stock price. That's not as bad as it would be. So yeah, that's not horrible. It looks like they're going to do it to pay off debt. It's just how much do you trust the management at AMC? I heard that they didn't the AMC management say haven't they said they were not going to do any offerings before? Like they said that a month ago, and then they do more offerings now. They promised. I think the CEO promised that. I saw that in a Wall Street Bet thing. I don't know if that's true, but I saw it on the Wall Street Bets. Did it come out? Did this come out right? Is this what caused the dip? It would make sense. It would make sense. I mean, 11 million shares being sold. Dilution is a possibility with that kind of numbers. But 470 million, that's nearly nothing though. That's not much, but it does worry you though. I mean, it does worry you nonetheless. So all right. I've noticed recently a lot more YouTubers have been talking about BNGO this week. Go figure when it goes green. Oh my God, I know. I hate them. I hate it, dude. The BNGO, and I understand it gets more views. I understand, but you can't selectively play like that, man. It's so corrupt because here's the thing. When you only talk about BNGO on the green days, people like the stock inherently more because that's just human psychology, man. It's as simple as it gets. People like the stock when it's green. People don't like it when it's red. When you only selectively choose to do BNGO videos when it's green, dude, that's a no-go, man. That's a no-go. You can't do that. That's not transparent in my book. But whatever, you make your own opinion, okay? I'm not trying to be disrespectful. All right, 40K share buy wall at 639. I'm gonna be honest with you. I would not be surprised if this is fake. I'm gonna be honest with you, boys. I want it to be real, but I mean, I just don't see 40,000 shares being bought right now. I mean, I hope it happens. It can be real, but you know, historically, it's just typically these are just fake. You know, very recent historically in the very recent past. I mean. We need a V-shaped recovery. What's your guys' predictions in today? Are we going green in the day? It all comes down to this. It all comes down to the markets and this right here. The short interest for Bionano, the short share availability. Oh, here we go. Oh, there you go. Oh my God. Okay, there you go. Wow, this is literally right. Perfect timing. Perfect timing. All right, guys, listen up right here. You want to listen to this. This is as simple as it gets. 8 minutes ago, this is the last change. Guys, the short share availability is just going down. What does that mean? Brandon, what does this mean? Okay, I'm going to explain how I know this stuff. But basically, ape language shorts are not covering. Shorts are actually taking new positions in Bionano stock. And I know that because the number one thing that determines the short share availability is how many shorts have covered yet. That's exact, and how many shorts are taking up new short positions. When this goes down, the short shares are in more demand, and that means there's more shorts that are already lent out by the broker into the bear's hands that are applying selling pressure and short pressure on the actual stock itself. I'm telling you, the short share availability and the short interest today, they have not covered at all. They're literally doubling down. They think they can push this. They think they're going to push this lower. That's 8 minutes ago, guys. And of course, this data can be wrong, but I swear to God, guys, I'm telling you. They have not covered yet. They have not even covered yet. We can end the day green. If they start covering, if even 500,000, 800,000 shares get covered today, dude, we're going to end the day green. I'm telling you, we're going to end the day green if the markets even do anything to help us. Like, even go up barely, we can go green in the day if the shorts start covering. Because, dude, they're just doubling down. Or there's the bear case is that, hey, these guys are trying to double down. They are trying to push it freaking lower. They want to get the freaking $6 flat. They want to make new intraday lows, man. I promise you. We have to hold. It's our job. And, of course, this following is not enough to freaking make a difference, really. But it's going to be up to the shareholders to hold, man. That's what it's up to. That's why Bionano is kind of disproportionately underperforming, right? We're one of the biggest losers today, right? If we look at the genomic sector, Bionano is underperforming everything basically, right? We're basically down as high as anything, right? Pat Bio is doing worse right now, Invitae and Twist is doing bad, but we're basically doing very, very bad right now, and that has to do a lot with the shorts being stubborn bitches. And not covering. They think they can push this thing lower, man. I'm telling you, there's a chance for a little bit of a squeeze today, a little bit of one, okay? But bear case, they're successful. But it's important to know, guys, I'm telling you, anyone that's just getting in here now, it's the most important thing for the day. Short share availability just decreased for Bionano. What does this mean, right? It means more shorts have taken up short positions compared to the pre-market, dude. Compared to the pre-market, the shorts have not covered yet, and we're already recovering a little bit. I mean, technically, I guess we're at about the same level that we were. They are not covering yet. The shorts think they can send Bionano lower. I promise you that's what this means. That's what this means, man. Of course, Fintel can be inaccurate data, but dude, this is good data right here. I'm telling you, this is a fairly reliable source. The shorts have not covered yet. They've doubled down on Bionano, man. They think they can get an intraday low. We'll see if the Bionanians can hold through. It's going to be how much fear can they cause, right? How much how much fear can they cause and FUD can they spread on the level 2 data? That's what it comes down to. That's what it comes down to, man. That's as simple as it gets. If they don't succeed, what are they going to do? They're going to cover, man. It's a clear pattern. Every single day, it fluctuates between. I've noticed the pattern. I've only been looking at this data since I've got the subscription, like last 2 weeks, right? It's very simple, though. 1 million shares is what the short share availability count is at the end of the day, because they cover by the end of the day. It's higher at the end, the short interest is higher, but the short share availability is lower at the start of the day, right? Because they're going to cover as we kind of go out throughout the day. And I can show you the price actions. The price action matches this exactly. Exactly. Look at this. Okay, yesterday, perfect example, right? Rip at the open, dip, shorts covering, and we saw that exactly with the short availability data, right? Look at that, okay? Exactly, all right? Exactly. And if we look at the last couple of days, if we look over here as well, another perfect example, okay? They pounce at the open, they dip, shorts cover into the day, man. That's the pattern that we've been seeing all the time, man. All the time. And of course, we don't have to have that pattern again today, but right now it looks like the start of the same pattern today. It looks like the very start of the pattern today. I mean, I'm not saying we're going to go green today, but I'm saying we have all the reversal signs. We have a $7.20 price target. The shorts have not covered yet. If the markets go up at all from here, I would not be surprised if we end the day at least close to even, if not green. Oh, all right. Sorry, I'm tired, man. I woke up right before this and I'm sick. It was 7 hours. I don't think we can do a whole day stream today, man. I don't know. I don't think we can do a whole day stream today. I don't think I can. They will cover by the end of the day. Yes, they will. How much time do they have to cover? Well, the days to cover right now, we actually don't know. We actually don't know what the days to cover are right now. It's no answer. It's no answer. I've never seen this before in my life, but for some reason, Fintel, it's not reporting the days to cover, man. Maybe a little market maker flipped up some money not to report the days to cover getting higher, maybe, or not, right? Whatever, we'll see. I mean, anything can happen. Okay, inflation happens, we're going to go down to $4, the shorts will be right, okay? If inflation doesn't happen, they're all going to get squeezed, and they don't even know what's going to, they don't even know what they're in for, man. I'm telling you, man. Do y'all want me to look at the AMC short interest data here on the Fintel.io? I can if y'all want, but I need a lot of people to say yes, because this is mainly a Bionano channel, man. 647 right now, making higher highs, higher lows. I like to see it. If we go to AMC right here, down 17%, it's getting closer to my buy order, limit order. Guys, I'm not chasing. Guys, the trades that I do on this channel, on the live streams, I'm not chasing at all because, and here's the reason why. I am even more conservative in my live stream trades because I know for a fact there's probably going to be a lot of people that match my trades here on the live stream. I want to caution you by saying, number one, I can easily be wrong. Number two, I'm only doing one share. Okay, so if this actually were to get filled, I'm not moving this. Okay, I'm being stubborn as hell. This is at the Bollinger Band, right? Actually, it should technically be a little bit higher. Technically, it should be at 39.21. I can't even get it there. I'm just gonna have to freaking. Hey, can I edit this? Can I freaking edit the order? Can I edit this? Modify. Here we go. All right. Let me do 39. 20, 22. I think that's what it was. There we go. Okay, yeah, one share. It's one share. It's too funny, man. Too funny. I love it. One share. 39.21. Yep, and the Bollinger Band is at 39.12, right? So that's basically the exact same. I'll take that. All right, 646 right now. Still doing well. All right. What was I talking about? Yes. Okay. We do want. I only got 2 yeses, though. I need more than that. If y'all want me to check the AMC short interest data, I can. If not, I won't. Look at the level 2 data here, boys. It's looking very good. Look at that. I mean, some of these are fake walls, I guarantee you, but it's 28K at 630 and 36K at 639. I'm telling you, we have a real chance here today. Today, Bionano has a real chance to end the day green. I'm telling you, man. It's as simple as it gets. Look at the data. You guys are looking at the same thing I am, man. They have not covered yet. Man. And when they cover, pair them covering with the market's doing us any favor, we're going to end the day green, I think. I mean, we got all the bullish reversal signs. But anyways, it looks like we got a fair amount of yeses. All right, AMC, man. Everyone loves AMC. All right, we'll do it. AMC short interest data. Can you explain how fake walls work? That's a great question. Yes, I absolutely will. That's a great question. I will absolutely. Remind me to do that, though. I might forget. After we do the AMC data here, I might forget. Make sure you remind me to do that. I probably will forget. My brain's not really working too well today. I'm telling you, I don't think we can do a stream all day today, boys. I don't think I can do it. I don't think I can last that long. Yesterday was like 7 hours in a row. All right. Oh, dang. It looks like the short interest squeeze got way higher since last I checked it. That's good. Okay, short share availability. Okay, wow. See, this is why people are so excited with AMC. The short share availability is extremely low. And although technically some of them have covered, right? Only 4,000 shares available to short 2 hours ago. About what, 200 and almost 300,000 more shares have been covered since that. Dude, that's basically nothing. And why I say that's nothing is that AMC, here's the thing with AMC, dude. There's literally 94 million shares that have been shorted according to the last settlement date, and that was, when was that? Does it even have the settlement date? Come on, I want the settlement date. Why does it not say the settlement date on this one? It says on Bionano, come on. Well, anyways, from 5/14, the publication date was 5/14. From that publication date, 94 million shares sold short and not yet covered. They have not covered. They have not covered. I mean, look at the short share availability. It's impossible to have that short interest to go down dramatically without a lot of the short share availability increasing, man. It's impossible. So yeah, AMC. That's why I'm doing a trade on AMC. That's why I have an order in right now. It's not looking bad. It's not looking bad at all. If we look at some other stuff right here, short borrow-free rate is extremely high. Very high demand for those short shares. That's why this is increasing, man. It's increased a lot. God, that's increased a lot, man. That is bullish. That is bullish, man. Short volume ratio about the same. Failures to deliver very low, actually. This kind of, honestly, I don't want to be like a killer. I don't want to be like, claiming that there's not manipulation in AMC stock. But here's the thing. The failures to deliver here, extremely low. And of course, this is not all the data. Of course, this could be wrong. And also, remember the date here, right? Look at the date. This is not current data, right? And of course, in the past, look at the freaking, dude, that's manipulation right there. You guys want to know what manipulation looks like? That is it, right? 28 million short shares that are a failure to deliver. Now, of course, technically you can make the argument, well, they fixed the mistake very quickly. Well, it's just, I think it's a little bit unlikely that a broker unintentionally fails to give out 28 million shares. Like, how can you not do like real shares, if that makes sense, right? How can you not give out the real shares instead of IOUs? Like, why do you have to give 28 million IOUs in that's what a failure to deliver is in a stock like this? Like, how? That cannot be unintentional. That cannot be an honest mistake. So anyways, that's a little bit off topic. Yeah, but for AMC right now though, yeah, it's not, the shorts have not covered, man. For AMC, the shorts not covered according to this, right? Total short share availability according to this. I wish I had Ortex as well. If the channel gets successful, I'll get them both, right? If the channel gets successful, the audio, the video, everything's gonna be perfect. But until that time, this is what we're dealing with. Premium FinTel is what we're dealing with. Short share availability updated 16 minutes ago. They're not covering. They're not covering in AMC or BNGO. Neither of them have started to cover. So I hope I've answered your question, guys. 649 right now for Bionano. Let's check out what AMC is doing. 20% right now. Okay, here we go. It's coming down to my 39. Well, not really. It has to go a lot farther, but but yeah. I would say this is an auspicious trade. Here's the thing. This trade that we're doing for AMC right now, it's very conservative, but it's very auspicious. That's the kind of trades that I do on stream. Because okay, guys, if you want to buy AMC right now based on the short interest data, okay, fine. I want you to be aware of the RSI and the Bollinger Band of the weekly. It's extremely overbought and it's extremely overextended, right? Well, it went down dramatically recently, but still, it's still above 70 and the Bollinger Bands do not lie. But if you look at that short interest data and you look at the 4-hourly Bollinger Band, it looks like a short-term day trade. Could be pretty damn auspicious right there. Hold on one second. I got to blow my nose. I'm sorry. I'm too sick right now, man. Oh, man. God dang it, man. This is why I cannot stream all day. 648. 648. This market is gay. That's too funny. Yeah, I agree on this market likes to make up with, yeah. The market is weird right now. What does auspicious mean? Asking for a friend. Oh, so auspicious dissenT, right? What the hell does auspicious dissenT mean? So it is weird. Auspicious basically means conducive or likely to succeed, right? And dissenT is a dissenting opinion, right? An unorthodox, unfavorable opinion, right? A dissenting, someone that doesn't think the norm, right? Out the box thinking, someone that doesn't think what most people think. That's pretty much what it means. So conducive to succeed, differing opinion. That's essentially what it means. All right, his band name. I wish I had a band. I would do a metal band. I'm serious. I'm a metalhead. Can you check the Discord link? Illumina news and impact for BNGO. Oh, there's Illumina news. All right, I'll check it for sure. Illumina expands non-invasive prenatal testing offering with new collaboration. Oh, okay. What is this? This looks interesting. Remember, guys, Illumina is the most likely. Now, of course, if Illumina mentioned Bionano in here, we would freaking moon. But Illumina and Bionano, that is the most likely partnership, basically according to the CEO, right? Not directly, but basically. Illumina, PacBio doesn't have a chance in this market in the next few years. Illumina and Bionano, those are the big two according to the CEO. And of course he's biased, but come on, take it for what it is. Take it for what it is. All right, recently collab with Next Generation Genomic, something to launch non-invasive prenatal solution, next generation sequencing, based approach to non-invasive prenatal screening with wider patient access under next generation sequencing for non-invasive prenatal screening. Oh my God, that was the worst. That literally told me nothing. Okay, for investors' notes, it's a center. The place they're teaming up with. It's a center for reproductive and prenatal genetic testing, and is aimed to offer high quality laboratory services with continuous quality improvement and leadership and education. Confirmed by evaluating more than 2,300 plasma samples from pregnant women from single twin. Here's the thing, man. None of these tests that they can do, none of these are going to be able to analyze what Bionano can, man. None of them can. Let me look at this. Illumina versus medical biomed genetics market. Illumina's blue. That didn't help me at all. Okay, so it provides a complete view of the fetal genome compared to other products. I don't like the sound of this. Healthcare provides to support expectant parents with informed, timely, personalized pregnancy and management options. Progress in the offering. Illumina noted 2 large payers. So this is already at market. It looks like. I think. I don't know. I'm not sure yet. I haven't read too much into this. Don't criticize me yet. Somebody give me the ape language here. Per report, the global non-invasive prenatal testing market. Here's the thing. Here's why we're not worried, all right? When we're talking about non-invasive prenatal screening market, we're talking about every single hospital in the world, right? 2.8 billion, all right? And I don't know, and this isn't not necessarily the TAM, the total addressable market, which would be annually recurring revenues. But I assume it is. Okay, that's what you can get in 1 year if you had the total market of it, right? $6 billion by 2028, right? Compound annual growth rate of 10%, man. Improving reimbursement policies for average and low-risk pregnancy are key catalysts that are driving the market. Oh, damn. They have... Oh, my gosh. Zacks gives Illumina a rank number 2 buy. Screw you, Zacks. These guys gave Bionano a 3 last time. Dude, screw you. You guys don't understand the tech. I swear to God, it's Bionanians against the world. It's literally Bionanians against the world, man. I swear. I'm telling you guys. I'm telling you. No one likes Bionano. We don't get... We have manipulators against us. We have freaking Simon Barnett from ARC that has previously made commitments. Literally, he is basically a market manipulator at this point, essentially. Unintentionally. Well, intentionally. We have freaking... the markets are against us. The freaking manipulators, short ladder attacks, naked shorting, increase in supply, artificially suppressing the price down since the downtrend started. It is us against everybody, which is actually good. And it's good because it gives us a good price, and it gives us a chance to research the company and know what's going on here. That's what I think. Okay, I could be totally wrong. Okay, that's why you got to do your own research. But I think that's what we're dealing with. There's no other way to say it. It's as simple as it is, my friends. AMC, $50 a share. It does not want to fill my order. I'm not going to chase this shit, though. I'm not chasing. I am not chasing on a live stream. There's no way I'm about to lead people into a less auspicious trade by moving my order up just because it won't fill. No way. Now, if the technicals look good, if there's a technical setup or fundamentals or something, then if you want to move your order up, of course, that's fine. But just for the sake of FOMO, no. That's not what we do here. 649 right now, testing the second intraday high, if that makes sense. All right. No, it's not a Head and Shoulders. No, come on. This is not a Head and Shoulders. Get out of here with that. I don't mean to get me. This is not a Head and Shoulders for Bionano on the 5-minute chart. There's no way. What? This is the shoulder? No. The head has to be much bigger than the shoulder. Not like 1 cent, 2 cent different, man. In my opinion. This could be. Honestly, this looks more like a cup and hand. I mean, I guess it could be a W if we're heading down for a double bottom. I feel like that's a little bit unlikely, just given the short interest data, short share availability data that we have here. So no, I don't think a W or a Head and Shoulders is likely for Bionano on the 5-minute chart that I'm seeing here. No, unlikely in my opinion, man. And I want to tell you guys, I haven't talked about the technicals very much, guys. we do have a descending resistance that is not very good. We have a descending resistance that is not very bullish at all. I actually just found out about this one yesterday, and it's really weird because it literally just neglects whatever happens here. It's just like it just like disappears here, and then it starts here. So that we have every reversal sign except that one. You know, we have pretty much everything except this. We need to break and hold above 663 today. You know, that would be nice. That would be nice. And I think we will if the market... Here's the thing. Guys, let me tell you something. This decent level of resistance, it doesn't matter, okay? The markets is what matters. The markets and the PR and the stupidity of the Bionano investors, that's what matters, right? If people are actually going to do the research, we would be at freaking $10 right now. I swear, I promise you we would. Okay, if people knew why the Sapphire is better than CMA, Fish, and Karyotyping, we would be at $10. But they don't, because it's very hard to understand. That's why I did the due diligence, but no one reads it anyway. The channel doesn't get any views anyway, so it's for nothing, right? It's for nothing. Not really. Buying pressure coming in, intraday high, besides 661, of course. Right. Let me check the chat here. Let me read some action here. Sapphire is not a gene editor. It detects structural variation, the key tech used by gene editors. Here's the thing, man. If you want to make the argument, now this is a little off topic, but this just made me think about it. If you want to make the argument that Sapphire, that greater than 500 base pair detection is not that important, fine, all right? But guess what? It doesn't matter because the freaking clients use it anyway. They do it anyway, man. So it must be a little bit important. These cytogenetic labs, man, they use CMA, Fish, and Karyotyping. Sapphire is going to disrupt that, and we're also going to disrupt the Sapphires. We're also going to disrupt sequencing if the nanonozzle comes out, when it comes out. In my book, it's a win, not an if. But those are risks. So, you know, do your research, man. Do your research. Just learn as much as you can learn as much as you can as to Sapphire and the competition, and then you'll understand why the Bionanians are so bullish, and why we have held through so long, and why we are finally. And if you average down, we're finally green. Also, I want to talk real quick. There is a 3 white soldiers candlestick pattern that is bullish, potentially unfolding. And I really like it because not only do we have a hammer candle that is a bullish reversal sign, we also have 3 white soldiers potentially coming in. If we were to close the week around $7, close to $7 at least, that would be a 3 white soldiers on the weekly time frame of all charts. Of all charts, weekly time frame. Extremely bullish if that were to happen. Pair that with the short interest data, pair that with the markets having a chance for inflation already peaking, right? 10-year break-even inflation rates are going down, which signals that it may be peaking or it's just a cool down. But if inflation has already peaked, dude, $10 1 month or a couple months, very likely. I'm serious when I say that, okay? I'm not trying to give you all false hope, but if inflation has already peaked, I will be adding shares. Because I'm telling you, Bionano is already 100% of my portfolio. Here's the thing, boys. The only reason I have so much buying power, and this isn't that much, right? But it's something, right? In case inflation does happen and Bionano sees $5 again, I have to have some sort of I don't know, hedge, some sort of risk tolerance. But I'm adding shares, essentially. If inflation has already peaked and we get definitive evidence for that, dude, there's no reason not to go all in at this point. That's the only thing that could really screw the markets over, okay? Unemployment benefits, in my opinion, very generous unemployment benefits are ending. That's gonna improve the economy, in my opinion. We do have the government spending a thousand tons of money. That is maybe going to catch up to us long term, but the market doesn't care, man. The market doesn't. The market doesn't care. There are no people like me that care about the government spending nowadays. Everyone wants the market to go boom. At the end of the day, the market is what people think it is, and I think we got room to go. I think we got room to go, man. All right. So we got selling pressure coming in. Still making a nice high, though. Still making a nice high. Let me check the markets real quick. What do we got here? IWM, man. This is what I'm talking about. It's the same pattern for the whole markets, man. Let me refresh the short interest data here. For anyone that's just getting in here, we also did technically have new news today, and we will be covering this. I'll be covering this more in depth in the Bionano video tonight, I'm sure, unless I die. I can always die on the stream. That can always happen. If Bionano goes up like 20% in any day, I may die. So treasure these days right now. Anyways, I will be covering this. Article here. That is new news. We also have this Illumina crap. Somebody give me the ape language on this, okay? Basically, my ape language, from my understanding, Illumina is trying to get involved in non-invasive prenatal testing market. They don't have shit on us, okay? Let's be honest. Between you and I, Illumina, they don't have anything that the Sapphire. They can't do what the Sapphire does, man. They don't have anything on us. The nano nozzle is gonna take what they do and do it better once it comes out, man. So yeah, it kind of hurt. I kind of am hurt to see that they're getting in the non-invasive prenatal testing market, but also this kind of just verifies and verifies what the non-invasive prenatal testing market is. It verifies that Bionano wants to penetrate a very important market. I mean, we're talking about a $2.3 billion market here. Compound annual growth rate of 10%. By 2028, we're talking about $6 billion. Okay? We don't need $6 billion. We just need a couple $100,000 to millions of dollars, and we'll get huge revenue beats, and we'll be profitable by 2023. I'm serious. If not 2022. I'm serious, my friends. So this is not necessarily bad news, but somebody give me your ape language on this if there's something I'm missing here, because I feel like there's something I'm missing here. I feel like there's something I'm missing. This might lead to a partnership with Illumina. Yeah, well, new collaboration. They're already collabing with NGS or NGG, Next Generation Genomics. So I don't know. Maybe this does confirm that they are looking for opportunities to collab. It would not surprise me one bit if Bionano Illumina partnership had some sort of a deal, some sort of partnership, some sort of project, and something to work together in the prenatal testing, non-invasive prenatal testing market, because they both want to penetrate it. And also, guys, the Illumina headquarters are like right next to Bionano, and the C-suite is connected. Bionano, the CEO of Bionano, Eric Holman, he likes Illumina, unlike everyone else. Eric hates everybody. Okay, let me tell you something about Eric. Eric hates PacBio. He doesn't think they have a future. Illumina, he likes them. Why do you think he likes them? Because they have a place in the future. Maybe because he needs to kiss up to them because they're maybe offering a potential partnership. Maybe. These are all possibilities, okay? I'm not calling it. I'm just giving you the possibility, all right? Look at these fake walls, man. God, I hate these fake walls. I hate these shorts. These shorts think they can scare us, man. They're not scaring me. I hope they're not scaring you. These are fake walls, boys. These are fake walls. We're going to tear these down. The shorts have not covered yet. Remember that, guys. For today, we're going to end the day green if the markets do us any favors. I'm telling you. Look at that, man. Look at this, Kate. Look at this. All right, this is the short squeeze score, right? The algorithmic math equation here, right? This algorithm they have for the short squeeze score. This thing was like 70 today. It just increased to 80. Do you know why the short squeeze score just increased? Do you know why we're 984 out of 9,000 companies one being the most likely to experience a short squeeze? Do you know why? 20% short interest of the float, and today it's looking very similar, if not higher, and short-term shorts have not covered at all. I need you guys to understand the short share availability. We just got an update last 30 minutes, right? I hope they update this more frequently, right? I wish they updated Bionano short share availability like they did AMC's. But if they did, I would not be surprised if these guys are going to be covering a little bit throughout the rest of the day. Okay, if they're going to cover the rest of the day, dude, the markets have already gone up a fair amount. We already are in a position to end the day green. I'm telling you, man. And right now we're at 652. We need to close the day above 638 to be very bullish for tomorrow. That's the level of support, man. We got to bounce off of it. It was a false wick down. It wasn't very clean, but we got a bounce off of the 21 EMA on the weekly, right? Let me go to the weekly time frame. That's what we were talking about yesterday. That was like arguably the most important indicator, right? I'm telling you, man, we bounced off that pretty nicely. Right now it's at 639. We bounced off that perfectly. It's looking good. I'm telling you, if the markets do something good for us, shorts will cover. Bionano will end the day green. I think that's a very high chance. At least a realistic chance of that happening. At least. Come on, there's at least a fair chance of that happening. But how much do the markets have to go up, though? That's the question. It's like, well, markets do us any favor. What does that mean? I don't know. If the markets can if they can just chill out and the fear index can stop going up so much, man. If this thing can chill out and the IWM can either go sideways or like end the day about where it opened, that would probably give Bionano a chance to end the day green. Maybe if it went green, hell, Bionano would definitely go green. Bionano would definitely go green if the Russell and the broader markets were close to being green. Rip to everybody who sold pre-market, or rip to everybody who sold on the dip here, man. Did anyone add on the dip? I wasn't even talking about adding. Here's the thing, guys. I want to add Bionano shares, but I just can't. Because I, in my opinion, I think there's a chance that the markets freaking crash, or not crash, but have an inflation correction. So until we actually have proof of that not happening, I have to have buying power in case the bear case comes to fruition. I love the chat. I love you guys. Not collab. We want to be FTC don't like Illumina buying competition. They do not cover until next week, and they have the money to push this down. Yeah, they do. Well, they do. They do, and we don't know the days to cover right now. So it's like the days to cover. We don't even know. It's not. They conveniently they don't tell us the days to cover if this is going higher, right? The short borrow fee has gone a little bit higher, I think. Not really. It's actually going down. That's interesting. But that's really interesting because the demand for short shares has just gone higher. But they can definitely push this down. They're trying to, and that's what makes it so interesting, man. But the pattern remains the same. That's what you guys have to understand. The pattern is the same. The shorts covering throughout the rest of the day. It's what we saw yesterday. It's what we saw the day before that, right? Market open, they take their shorts, they cover the rest of the day, right? The short share availability data matches up perfectly with that. Perfectly. If you go down the other day, right? The day before that, right? The 1st of June, right? Exact same thing. The day before that, this one was not, right? That it can't be the same pattern every single day, right? But 4 out of the last 5 days, we've seen the exact same pattern, roughly, right? I mean, pretty much. I mean, it is the exact same pattern, just different volatility and a little bit different movement, right? Exact same thing though. And today is a little bit weird because we've seen a nice spike. Usually, it's more of like a slow climb. But yeah, there is a chance, guys. I need to tell you guys need to be aware of the bear case here. They're just doubling down, and the bear case is that they could just continue to double down. And the next change we get, next update, it's going to be zero short share availability, right? SS. I'll just do SS for short share availability, right? SSA. Right, it could be zero, man. That's the bear case, right? And then that's going to push it down higher. That's going to push it down lower. I mean, that's definitely going to push it down lower, but I don't think that's likely, right? If you just look historically, that's just not what happens. Plus, you pair that with the markets doing well, which they probably, honestly, the markets are primed to go a little bit higher, I would say, today, just given that we had a freak out today because of nothing. Really? I mean, unemployment data, I don't know. I don't know. No one knows how much the markets are going to freak out when we do get interest rates rising. But I think that the job report beating, I don't think that's justification for the markets going down this much today. And remember, we do have a lot of Fed presidents talking today. Just in Russia to exit from all dollar assets and its wealth fund to invest in euros, pound, gold, and what? That's not good. That's not that. That means I bet that means they think inflation's coming. A lot more volume today. Let's check it. Let's check the 1 hour. Yeah, a lot more volume than yesterday. Not really, though. Well, that candle's not done yet, so I can't say for sure. But yeah, a lot more volume. Look at that red volume. I hate the red volume, man. It is better volume, though. It is better volume long. By and large. By and large, it is much higher. It's about double. 4 million. Yesterday we were about 3 million. Close to double. About 25, about 50% increase in the volume today. I like it, but of course this is nothing. Look at this, Kate. Look at this, Kate. None of this even matters. We need volume like this, man. If we're gonna get any short-term movement, we need at least we need some sort of volume. We need something. I mean, it would help a lot. We don't necessarily need it, but it would be very helpful to squeeze these shorts. Man. All right. Sire, when is my gay stock going to 2,000 American dollars? Oh, man. This market is all about shorts trying to get out with profits. They know they are trapped. They will not cover till next week. They know they are trapped. They will not cover till next week. I disagree. I mean, it's not. I mean, it just depends on what the market does. If the market gives us a chance, and Bionanians get their head out of their arse and start adding on the dips and start researching the technology and realize the fundamental value is over 10. No, I disagree. That's a fine thought, but I disagree largely. No, man, dude, the shorts. Hey, when I say shorts covering, I mean like 500,000 to 1 million shares, short shares. I don't mean like 5% or 10% of the actual short interest going down. I'm talking about a small squeeze. I'm talking about a very small squeeze. I mean, you can't even really call it a short squeeze because it's just like 500,000 to 1 million shorts covering short shares being covered. And that's enough to affect it. But yeah, I mean, if you want to make the argument that a lot of the shorts are not going to cover, yeah, that's fine. That's fine. The shorts are just so stupid, man. They're not going to cover for a while. They're not going to cover. Oh, man. They think they can push us down lower. I disagree. The only way we go lower, the only way we break down below $6 again, or even below $6.38 is the markets, man. If you're a short in Bionano, you are betting on the markets going lower. We have every bullish reversal sign ever. We have the fundamental value increasing exponentially over just the last month alone. Fundamentally, we're better than we are right now than we've ever been before. Also, keep this in mind, guys. The closer we get, and also there's two things here. Actually, just remember two really important things. Insider ownership and transactions and earnings reports. Okay, let's do earnings reports first. The closer we get to that earnings report, the more bullish it is. Do you know why? Because the more closer we get, the more shorts that realize, oh, hey, we're going to get revenue and earnings per share data in. Is it going to be good? If they know anything, which some of them, a lot of the whales in the shorts will know something, they know that the CFO has said substantial double-digit revenue year-over-year growth, okay? All other factors aside, revenue will be increasing very high year-over-year. What is that going to do for the stock price? It's going to remind people that we're making money and we're on the way to profitability sooner than 2024. All right, especially if we get some beats like I'm expecting, right? It's simply Wall Street projecting 16 million year over year, or 16 million for 2021. I'm projecting 21 million. Ragnaros is projecting 23 million revenue this year. So we'll have to see what happens with that. But anyways, that is going to be good. The closer we get to earnings, the more bullish it is for the shorts covering a little bit. Not insanely bullish, but fairly bullish, right? So you need to keep that in mind. Also, the earnings is going to be, it should be, isn't it going to be, I want to say it's August 13th-ish, like around that date. Like, we don't have the confirmed date yet, but that's going to be roughly, based on last year, that's what it's going to be, right? I think it's August 13th. I think so. I don't know. Not a squeeze. A lot of short interest due to the government trying to get things passed. It still is going to be a squeeze. 26,000 shares just bought at $6.50. I love it. I love it. Whales and toots waking up and getting their head out of the R, slowly pulling that head up and getting the shoulder straight and finally buying on the dip, like somebody who actually does their research. But hey guys, I need everybody to understand inflation can screw Bionano over. I need everybody to understand that. Please understand the risk if you're going to hold Bionano with me. Please understand. Don't be like Brandon and worry about every penny. Just hold it for 7 years. That's funny as hell. That's funny as hell, man. That's true. We short term. I know you're just messing around, but yeah. Oh, dang, AMC coming down to my limit order. I like it. I don't necessarily think it's very likely that we hit this, but if we do, I'll day trade this thing, man. I'll swing trade it or day trade it. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, man. New tweet. Oh, new tweet. Also, don't let me forget, guys. I've already forgotten. Let me make sure you guys remind me to talk about the freaking insider transactions after this. All right, the Bionano system. Oh my gosh, it's something old again. It's something old, isn't it? Yeah. Oh my god, this is like years old. Wow. Oh, every single time. Sapphire can identify mutations without complex pipelines. In this breast cancer cell line, a consensus map will allow optical mapping to identify a succession of translocation, deletions, and an inversion missed by short and long read sequencing. Translocation, deletions, and inversions, those are variant types, to my knowledge. Right? I'm not a geneticist, but I have been doing a lot of research on that recently. All right. Yeah, that's nothing. Here, this is nothing. I mean, I like their marketing is consistent, but we don't need it, okay? Technically, it doesn't matter if they don't release one freaking PR until freaking earnings. I'm serious, okay? The Sapphire, they are very subtle, man. They don't announce, when they get a Sapphire sale and installation, they don't announce it. They almost never announce it, man. They've only announced a few of them. And we've got like 107 installations, man. Do you think there's 107 PRs to back that up? No, there's not. So it's not necessarily bearish if we don't get PR, but we want a big PR, right? There's been a weird silence. BNGO dumping. Oh, no. Oh, 647, really? Man, damn. Right after that 26,000 share buy. Like, it's so weird. We're literally getting so much buying, yet we're going down. What the hell? All right, well, anyways. This is so exciting to watch. I love it, man. I know so many people are on their shift right now, just have this in their earbuds. It's so good. Guys, I want to talk about the insider ownership though and why it's so bullish the longer that time goes on. It's exponentially more bullish as time goes on. Let me explain to you why that is. All right, there's something called a Form 4, right? Form 4. Let me go to the SEC filings here for BNGO. I need to have this. I should have this bookmarked, but I don't because I'm dumb. Let me go to the SEC filings here. Basically, Form 4s, let me now you can actually see it. Okay, basically, Form 4s indicate, and basically insider transactions are insanely bullish. Insiders just got tens of millions of dollars worth of shares, worth in shares, right? If they don't sell them, the longer that goes on, the more likely it is that they're holding, thinking that a big move is coming in the future, okay? Now, the argument to that, the bear argument is that, well, if you're an informed bear, most bears wouldn't even know this because they don't even read the SEC filings, but basically, there may be a restricted period that they cannot actually sell the awarded shares from the 2018 incentive plan, which is how they actually got the shares to begin with. But we can assume that the longer the time goes on, And the longer that they do not sell, and the longer that we do not see Form 4s, the more bullish it is, because the more likely it is that they're holding and voluntarily choosing to hold their shares. I hope that makes sense. Ask if that doesn't make sense, tell me. It's very important. All right. The job of Bionano is to make and sell the tech, not nurse the share price. Yes, I agree. Yeah, and that's why I say it doesn't really matter necessarily if it doesn't necessarily matter if they don't drop a big PR the rest of the until earnings. That's why I said that. I agree, but it would be nice. Obviously, it would be nice for the shareholders. It would be nice for us short term for them to drop some PR. But of course, no one cares about the PR, so then again, maybe not. All right, let me refresh this. Hopefully, they update this pretty soon. Oh, man. Let me check the institutional ownership here. No new filings here either, man. No new news. Very quiet, man. Very quiet, man. Very quiet. 644. Gosh dang. Dumping right now. It looks like this honestly may be a little bit of a weird little W pattern, honestly. It looks like, honestly, if we did dump and get a double bottom all the way down to 626, that is going to be a double bottom, a W pattern bullish. I think that's a little bit unlikely, though. I don't see us dumping all the way down to 626 without the markets tanking again. And the markets are doing pretty well. So I don't really see that happening. Yeah, Bionano's underperforming everything right now. We're going to get a correction upwards in the rest of the day, I would think. AMC down 30%. Oh, we're getting close to my order? We're getting closer. We're getting closer to my order. A little bit of a W pattern here forming for AMC right now, actually. Earnings for Bionano, quarter 2 earnings 2021 should be August 13th-ish. Yeah, it should be around mid-August. But it could be July. Technically, it could be July. What's your order at? It is at 39.21, which don't crucify me, AMC crowd. Don't crucify me. If we look at the 4-hourly Bollinger Bands, right, that is where the 21 SMA is. I'm not trying to lead people off a cliff. I know there's going to be people following my trades, matching my trades, so I'm only doing very damn auspicious trades. That's why it's so low. And that is where the 4-hourly Bollinger Bands is. The Bollinger Band is roughly. Blackberry, dude. Wow, look at Blackberry getting killed. Getting absolutely killed. I mean, everything is pretty much getting killed, I guess. All right. Mara's down 2%. I like it. I need this to go down more, though. I need this to go down way more. Bitcoin, man. Bitcoin is literally just going sideways every day. I hate it. Bitcoin just going sideways. Oh, man. 641 right now. Still dumping. Holy crap. Wow. Wow, I did not expect this. We got 30,000 shares bought, and yet we go down like 15 cents. Nice. That makes sense. Shorts, man, it's the dang shorts. I'm telling you. Zomedica is slowly moving. Zomedica is an interesting one. Oh, dang, it's at 90 cents right now. Wow. Let me check that volume. Let me check that daily volume. Very nice. They're on schedule to beat yesterday's volume by a ton. Yeah, this thing was a good buyback here, but I didn't have any money for it. But yeah, I want this thing to dip again to around 70, 80 cents-ish. I don't know if it's necessarily likely to, but I will buy if it does. Maybe. It's a good buy if it does. All right. Oh, yeah, insider ownership. I need to talk about insider ownership. All right, so, yeah. Oh, no, I already did. What am I talking about? I already did. I'm going insane. I need to take a break. I need to take an eating break pretty soon, boys. We're not going to be able... I mean, if y'all want me to leave the stream on the whole day again, I can do that. We can do the setup like we did yesterday. Let me know. But I'm going to have to take a break today. We're gonna have to take some sort of break. NASDAQ pumping, BNGO dumping at the same time. Yeah, that's why I'm so bullish short term. Or at least that's why, well, not short term, but that's why I think that we're going to get a correction before the end of the day. Dude, I really think this is short-term shorts trying to do what they can. Be careful with Zone. The machine is not good, and the price is dropping in the cost of the machine. I don't know about that. When do you go to class? My friends, it's summer. I don't have any college classes now. Don't have any college classes in the summer. I had online. The only reason why I was able to do so much output the last before summer is because I have online. I'm able to get those done. I was able to get those done pretty quickly. I liked yesterday's setup. Okay, good. Yeah, sure, just leave it on. It's nice for us to be able to chat even when you're gone. All right, cool. Cool, man. I'm totally for that. Yeah, I'll just leave the stream on. Yeah, whenever I break, I don't know. We'll probably break pretty soon here because there's nothing really going on right now. We're kind of running out of things to talk about. AMC, you can watch AMC. I'm gonna leave my order open, and y'all can make fun of me losing money if it gets filled, and then we dump down to $9. Oh man, that's too funny. That's too funny, man. We'll see what happens. I think the 4-hourly Bollinger Bands. I think that is going to be a key level. I think it's likely that we're going to get a bounce off that. We have not got a bounce off that in a long time. That's the retracement that you want to watch for. That is the retracement you want to watch for, simple as it gets. The shorts have not covered yet. Yet you are very overbought. So it's like, well, Take your pick. You got to look at all the indicators. You got to look at all of them that you can. All right. Let me look at the broader markets here. The Russell is still kind of pumping right now. Still doing well. A little bit of a V-shaped recovery. We're not really quite getting that double top bearish pattern, but still getting a little bit of a reversal sign right here from the candlestick patterns. We need this to be a hammer. NASDAQ is doing very well. NASDAQ is doing extremely well, man. Look at that freaking, wow. Getting rejected, though. A nice hammer candle, but you're still getting super rejected. So, honestly, that's not very good. Would not be surprised if NASDAQ gets rejected. Based on that, you're at a very nice level of resistance right there. Clean level of resistance. Getting rejected right now. I mean, damn. Getting rejected perfectly. Damn it, man. That's not good. That's not good. Hopefully, we can confirm this as the new support and then make up and then break out over there. All right. AMC sucks. Yeah, I got it. Well, I don't know. Zome is overvalued. Its TAM is 100 million, and the company doesn't expect it to reach it for 10 years. Yet the company's valued at 890 million. No, I mean, I haven't done the research on the actual product itself too much, but all I know is that short-term trading. Guys, I'm just talking about short-term trading. I'm not talking about long-term investment. God dang, I'm talking about short-term trade, guys. But yeah, Zomedica, man. One thing I like about Zomedica is the demand out. I did some research on the demand in the pet market in the next few years, and it's likely that millennials are going to continue to buy pets in an exponential increase compared to the last 5 years. And that's their market, pet market. That's what they do. So that's bullish. But if the product sucks, it sucks. So, and I don't know about the product too much. So, all right. AMC is a retail trap. Oh no, I don't agree with that completely. Retail trap? No, dude, I disagree. Here's the thing: the hedges have already lost billions. They've already lost billions, man. This can't be a trap. I don't know. I mean, it can be from here on out. It can be a trap. You were at 90 on the RSI. This is why I was saying everybody be very careful. 95 on the RSI, and now you got your cool down today, and yeah, that's why I'm doing one share. But yeah, here's the thing, man. The AMC guys, the shorts have not covered, so. There's a case to be made that this thing is going higher. But I wanted it to cool down more. That's why I had the order set all the way down to 39. So, but there is significant risk in AMC, guys. Please know what you're doing if you're in AMC. There's a lot of how many people here are apes? How many people here are apes in AMC stock? How many apes do we have here? All right. I'm not necessarily bullish on Zome. I'm just giving you guys some facts. I'm not actually a long-term investor or bull on Zome long-term. I just like short-term trading it because it's so easy. I've done it so many times. When is FDA approval for Bionano? Well, FDA approval is going to be, there's no date, but it's likely to be, I would say we're likely to get FDA approval within the next few years, but there's no date. It could be 3 years, it could be 5 years. Okay, Illumina doesn't have, PatBio doesn't have FDA approval, nor does Illumina, is my understanding. So, but we'll get it eventually. Most likely. We'll get it eventually. Weed stocks are up. TLRY and Sunday. Whoa. Oh, man, it finally happened. Damn it. I wanted it. The news. Somebody tell me, is Sundial running because of news? Oh, it's freaking Wall Street Bets, isn't it? This is Wall Street Bets, isn't it? Wow, that's a sell sign right there. You're getting rejected right now. Well, kind of trying to go through. Kind of trying to break through. Oh my gosh, 3 million shares to be sold. Are you kidding me? Wow. I'm a reformed ape. Might relapse, but I'm getting my fix on Nano Dimension BNGO for now. Yeah, this is Wall Street Bets right here. Here's the thing. This thing was obviously undervalued, at least in my opinion, because the cannabis sector is going to do great things, man. It's just a fact. It's going to. It's going to do great things long term. But the thing with the cannabis sector is that the freaking interest is so weird. It's so weird. Plus, you got legalization news, like the government passing bills to legalize it federally, right? That sort of thing. It is a little bit of a gamble, but long term, this is good. This is good. I like the cannabis sector overall. TLRY doing well as well. Man, I like to see it. BIOL's doing well. AGTC is getting killed, though. Not getting killed, but I guess they're going sideways. BIOL's doing very well, breaking out, trying to break out. Oh my gosh, so many false breakouts. That's what I hate about BIOL sometimes. Nano Dimension doing all right. Microvision bleeding. Well, it makes sense. They went up a ton, right? Let's refresh the short share availability. All right. Brandon, I lost 50% on Sundial last week. Oh, no. Oh, boosted. No, you sold out of Sundial. No. Can you draw the outstanding support BNGO has? Sure, I'll do that in 1 second if we have one. Let me check. It looks like Discord. Do we have any news here? No. Russell 2. Oh, okay, we got this. Yeah. Thank you for posting this. Whoever did. Thank you. I'll go ahead and check this out maybe later if we don't have anything else to look at. All right. What was I gonna do? Ascending support for Bionano. Yeah, we definitely have an ascending support on the 5-minute. Absolutely, we do. Yeah, that's actually a very steep level. It looks like we're about to maybe break. Wouldn't it be nice if we just broke out of this right when I draw it? That'd be nice. Oh man. Do you think that Sundial 3 million sell wall is real? Unlikely. It's unlikely. It could certainly be real, but it's unlikely, man. Oh my gosh. Literally, I called it. Right when I draw the freaking ascending level, we break it. I mean, I hope this is a false breakdown, but oh, that's frustrating. We're getting that buying pressure coming in. 638, man. 638. That is the level that we need to hold. That's the 21 EMA on the weekly. For those of you that think a technical analysis, that indicators don't work, I would argue because you haven't used them or you haven't used them properly. Nowadays, for some reason now, more so now than before, I get more people saying that technical analysis doesn't matter, which is fine. It's fine. It's a fine opinion, right? Think whatever the hell you want. But I mean, I'm telling you, man, you use these indicators properly, you can get a better entry point. 11K shares just sold at 637. Damn. All right, but anyways, yeah, we're going to take a break here. I'm going to take a break. I'm going to leave for like, I don't know, maybe 30 minutes, maybe 40 minutes. 40 minutes max probably, because I want to go exercise really quickly and then go eat and shower. And then I'm going to be back here as soon as I can. And then I guess we're just going to stream the whole day. I guess that's just going to be a new thing, I guess. Or at least we'll try to stream the whole day. I'll see if I can make it through. I don't know. Shroom Center's next. No, I actually disagree with that, but I don't know too much about it. But AMC just got diarrhea. Good. I wanted to. I wanted to get some diarrhea action. Good. 39. Oh, here you go. Oh, I got it. I'm in. All right, boys, I'm in AMC. There you go. 37. Oh, wow. It wicked down all the way down to 37. Wow. All right, I'm in. Short-term trading. Let's see it. Let's see if it dumps now that I'm an ape. I'm not an ape. I'm just short-term trading for the hell of it. If you're matching me right now, please know what the hell you are doing. Please. Oh, man. Sundial has 1.8 billion shares outstanding. That's crazy. That's crazy, man. All right. Oh, man, it's going down. I'm about to get killed. And this is why I did one share, because literally the hedge is literally because you're so overbought. That's the thing. Oh, man. Oh, man. Dude, what is that? It literally is not even... Is it even... Let's go over here. There you go. It's trying to get some support right now on it. It's trying to get support right now on that 4-hourly 21 SMA. I would be surprised if it just completely breaks down. I would be very surprised, but it certainly could. All right. Please, guys, please don't match my trade here. Please don't match it. Only if you know what you are doing. All right. I think we're going to go ahead and I think we're going to a lot of stocks are dipping right now. Yeah, Bionano's dipping. Damn, dude, we broke the 21 EMA again. Hopefully it's a false breakdown. Dang. Yeah, it looks like this is a good place to get off. Hopefully we're higher. Hopefully we're higher. Look at AMC go, man. I would not be surprised. I would not be surprised if it gets a nice bounce off this. Here's the thing, dude. Based on our knowledge, if we go to the AMC, if we go to the AMC short interest data right here, if we go to AMC, it's not looking bad. Like the short interest is looking very good. It's looking very good. At least the last. Look at this. Okay. Oh, never mind. Damn. Never mind. Never mind. Some of them just covered. But still, that's still like nothing though. 2.5, almost 3 million shorts I covered right there. That's almost nothing. That's almost nothing compared to the 96 million shares that are out there. So the short squeeze is still technically yet to come. So we'll see what happens. We'll see when I come back. We'll see how AMC is doing. Honestly, I would not be surprised. I mean, we'll see what the hell happens. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Anyways, yeah, let's get out of here. Told you AMC sucks. It does suck fundamentally, but the short squeeze is fun. And I wanted to do one share trade just for the hell of it. Just for the hell of it, man. That's why I'm only doing one share. One share for a reason, man. All right, yeah, let's get out of here. All right, what four stocks should we leave on the customized chart for when I go? I'm gonna go leave and then go break, and then we're gonna come back here pretty soon. What four stocks should we want? BNGO, AMC, and what else? Fun money. Fun money, my friend. I got no stress. Okay, good. Only way you should be matching me right now is if you got no stress, because this is literally only one share for the hell of it. And it looks like right now it's really struggling to bounce off that level. I'm very surprised right now off of what I'm seeing. But, I mean, I guess technically it is bouncing, but it's struggling. It's very much struggling to get a bounce off of it, man. All right, guys, let's get out of here. You want me to do BlackBerry? Let's set it up right now. Let's get out of here. BlackBerry. Should we do the NASDAQ as well? All right. Yeah, so BNGO, AMC, BlackBerry, and the NASDAQ. Is that good? I'm so scared for AMC. AMC, man, please do not match my trade. This little thing is literally a gamble. Please do not match me there unless you know what you're doing. All right, so there we go. I got BlackBerry. I got them all already. AMC, BNGO, BlackBerry, and the NASDAQ. Is that good? Do you all want something else? All right. Let me zoom in here. All right. I think that's good. There we go. Let me get I'm gonna put the 5-minute up because it is gonna probably be like 30 minutes at least until I come back. All right. Are we good? Any other last minute questions? I don't think we do. All right, let's get out of here. I'm gonna be back I'm gonna go shower, eat, and go exercise really quickly, and then I'm gonna be back definitely within an hour. Like worst case, I'm back within worst case like 45 minutes. It'll probably be more like 30. Hopefully, probably. Maybe, hopefully. So, yeah, there we go. All right, man. All right. There we go. Anything I'm forgetting? I don't think there is. Play some tunes. I really can't play any tunes unless, because it's going to get copyrighted. Is there anything that's not going to get copyrighted? Do y'all know? I can put some music on. I mean, Brandon about to speed run eating exercise. Chicken wings again? No, probably not. We'll see, though. That'd be nice. I don't know. I don't have time for that. I don't have time to make wings. I wish. But, yeah. All right. Let's get out of here. What was I gonna talk about? Yeah, no. I don't think I can play tunes. And yesterday, for some reason, the audio didn't work. I don't know why. I put the desktop audio on. It didn't work, though. So, yeah. All right. Let's just get out of here. I'll be back 30 minutes. Hopefully 30 minutes is the goal. So basically our goal is to be back before 11 Central Time. It's probably more like going to be like 11:15. Most likely. It's probably going to be like 45 minutes. But anyways, all right, boys. Good luck to all the AMC people that just took that trade. Hopefully, if you're in AMC right now, please take profits right now if you're not willing to be down 20%, 100%, because it is a very, very risky trade. Anyways, with that being said, all right, I'm gonna leave you out. I'm gonna leave you here. All right, man. See you later. All right. Um, all right. We're good to go. We're back, boys. We're back. We are back in AMC. Holy crap. AMC, man. Let me go to. All right. Everything is audio working good? Let me check, make sure. Okay, good, good, good. All right. Yeah, man. Oh, I forgot my water. Damn, I forgot my water. I'll get that later. I'll get that later. Hold on. Actually, you know what? There's not that many people in here right now. I'm gonna be right back. I knew I forgot something. Hold on 1 second, boys. 1 second. I'm gonna be right back. We got the water, boys. Oh man. Oh man. AMC. Holy crap. What are we up on AMC now? Hold on. Hold on. Let's get that. Let's fix this setup. Let's make this go down a little bit. There we go. There we go. Let's get that beautiful big ass forehead in the frame. All right, go into the account here. We're up. Wait, what? We're up 25% already. Wow. I'm not bragging. I seriously did not check that before that. I swear to God, I skateboarded and then I ate like 8 crescent rolls and then I showered and I'm back. All right, we're back. We're back just like that. All right, I did not even look at this before. I am this stupid. BNGO not moving. Yeah, okay, let's just check BNGO. Yep. Oh man, it would be nice if we were that. Yeah, it'd be nice if we were up right now. All right, it looks like we got a George W, folks. We got a George W forming a double bottom bullish chart pattern coming in. It is bullish. Yeah, it's double bottom. There's no other way to say it. It's as simple as it gets right there. I mean, I would not be surprised if this comes to fruition. I'm gonna be honest with you. I did say earlier in the stream that it was unlikely we were gonna get this W, and it looks like we're getting it right now. Honestly, there's no other way to say it. Let me see what the markets are doing. I thought this was very unlikely. Very unlikely. It's very weird. And let me actually check the short interest real quick. Let me check that short interest for BNGO. Actually, you know what? Let me check AMC's real quick while we're here, right? Because we are in a short. Oh, look at that. Oh man, dude, the shorts. Oh, AMC has got room to go. I'm not trying. I'm not. Hey, it's got room to go as far as short interest, but it's still extremely overbought. So if you're in that trade with me, if anyone, the people who matched my trade, I know at least one person said they would. Um, those tendies go straight through you, you know. Oh my gosh, he's pooping. Those tendies go straight through you. That's too funny, man. That's too funny. Oh man, but yeah, AMC, dude, the shorts will not stop. The shorts are not giving up. The shorts are not giving up, and I don't think retail is going to give up either. One of the teams is going to have to give up. One of them is going to give, and dang, well, all right, BNGO, maybe BNGO isn't forming a little bit of a W here. I mean, we need to at least form a higher low here. At least form a higher low here if this is going to actually be a W. Let me see AMC here. Man, this thing bounced off perfectly. This thing bounced off absolutely perfectly, basically. I mean, it took a little while. Look at that. That's beauty right there. That is beauty right there, man. Come on. It doesn't get any better than that. That's beauty. Look at that. It bounces perfectly off that 21 SMA. For all those people who say you don't like technical analysis, there you go. There's your live proof. We did the trade live. Okay, it's not. I mean, you can't make this up. I mean, what are we up right now? We're up 25% in freaking like 30 minutes, bro. I'm not okay. It's not like that's like one in a life. It's not like that's like a super black swan. No. You can do this stuff, man. It's not that. I don't know. I mean, the signs were there. The signals were there. Short interest had not short. The shorts were not covering. 4-hourly Bollinger Band. First retracement in a while. Very likely to have a strong bounce there, and we did. All right. All right, man. W pattern. Yeah, BNGO does have a little bit of W pattern here, but it's looking a little iffy. I mean, we got to make a higher low right now. Or else it's going to get, there's no. But let me actually look at the interest for the short interest for Bionano right now. That means Nano Dimension has a W2, got 5,000 shares at 730. Where do you think W will get to for my day trade? 5,000 shares. Damn. I wish I did 5,000 shares on AMC. I only did one. But of course, it's all hindsight. But anyways, looking at Nano Dimension. Oh, yeah, that's a nice W right there as well. Man, they're this exact same chart pattern. Man, come on. Exact same chart pattern. What are the markets doing right now? Bro, oh my gosh. All right, this is why I think Bionano is going to end the day at least better than we are now. I mean, come on. The IWM is doing fine. It's right now it's at basically where it opened. And Bionano has just gone down. It's just going down more. It's like it doesn't add up. It does not add up. This is literally just shorts doing their worst. They're going to cover throughout the rest of the day, I think. At least some of them. At least a small amount of them. Come on. That's just the pattern. That's the pattern that we've been seeing for the last few days. But your question, Havana, was what my price target was for the W. We'll get to. Oh man. Well, if Nano Dimension is going to get the W and it's actually going to form, the price target is technically the sum of this and then right there. So it should get in the 8s. Or at least close to the 8s if the W were to happen. But is it going to happen, Kate? The markets need to help us out, and high growth needs to help us out, which right now, it's not working. It's not working. Wow, BlackBerry is red now. Dang. AMC is absolutely insane. I got to think about when I'm selling this. I only have one share, though, because I don't really care. I only have one share. I really don't care, though. I mean, it's only $10 in profit. But, hey, trading, it's cool to trade live. It's cool to do live trades, is it not? Is it not cool to do live trades? I mean, I know some of y'all matched that, made a lot of money right there. At least one person said it. Did anyone else match my AMC trade? Up 25%. Holy crap, man! I was not expecting that kind of a bounce. I was expecting a big bounce, but not 25% kind, man. But yeah, it's looking like Bionano wants to make a new low right now. Dang! I gotta check out that short interest real quick. Hold on. All right. I don't think that. Okay, there we go. Is this updated? I think. Did we see this or not? I don't know. That does not make any sense. Okay, it looks like 250,000 more short shares have been covered. It looks like roughly. You know, this data is not complete data, right? Inaccurate. It can be inaccurate, but 450, man. That's weird. That doesn't really add up to me. That doesn't really add up. I mean, it's only 250,000 out of like a total of like what 36 million shorted shares, right? So 200,000 doesn't really do anything, right? So it really doesn't do anything. But man, I'm telling you guys, I mean, based on that, even based on that number, I'm very surprised. I would not be remember, that's an hour ago, right? I would not be surprised if this has gone down if we had data coming in like right now, 1 minute ago, 1 second ago. I bet that would be lower. I bet the short shares available would be lower. But yeah, I still would not be surprised if we start getting towards the end of the day, we start seeing numbers more like this, which will basically be like more shorts covering. That's essentially what it means. At least to my understanding. All right. I already flipped 2,500. Nice job. Havana, you're a legend. Buy 2 shares of BNGO with your AMC profit sold. Oh, man. So that AMC when it's at 1,000. I matched and added 700. 759? Holy crap. Wait, what? Listen, don't be naive. Players like BlackRock and Vanguard have shares in every stock, so they shake out the paper hands with the press of one button. All stocks fall. Yeah, I don't know about one. I don't know about one button and then everything falls. But I agree with you that they are manipulating the markets. I agree with that. I mean, there's proof, and Bionano side there's proof, so I consider it proof. All right, I'm an hour behind on the stream and running at 2x speed. Frustrated, need to catch up. Let me join you guys back to the future. Oh, man. All right, I got to think about when I'm selling AMC. That's what I got to do. Right when I came back, we're starting to bleed. I'll tell you what. Well, the thing is, here's the thing. We're already up 25. When you're doing a day trade and a swing trade, when you're up 20% in a day, it's never a bad idea to sell. But it kind of, for me right now, it kind of just has to deal with the other options, right? How much risk is there? If we look at the daily chart here for AMC, I mean, there's a lot of risk. Okay, there's 73 on the RSI, 4 hourly. Let's see what the RSI is. Okay, well, we're not even overbought now on the 4 hourly, but you get what I mean, right? It's very risky. But the thing is for AMC, all it is right now is, do you believe the shorts are going to cover before the retail investors fall, before the retail investors fail, and before they crumble into madness, right, and collapse into madness and start selling everything, right? It's which one do you think is going to come first? That's essentially what it is. That's what it is right now. Are the shorts going to cover, or are the shorts going to cover before people start selling and taking profits? That's what it is. And right now, based on the sentiment of the AMC crowd, I don't know if it's. I don't know. I kind of think this became an AMC stream. I need to change the title of this. AMC isn't the title. I guess we'll just leave the title. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. But anyways, yeah, I mean, it is kind of an AMC string at this point. I mean, a little bit at least. Yeah. Dang it. No, 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 no. I mean, I guess this technically... Oh, no, 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 no. No, no, no. We don't want this. This is not a W. This is not a W pattern, damn it. Dang. High growth, man. High growth today. It's just getting the stick. Hey, Boomstick, where's your bear stick? I need Boomstick to get his bear stick out. I need you to start whacking the bears back into hibernation, man. Jeez. The shorts are not covering. They're doubling down. They're trying to push BNGO lower, man. That's just as simple as it is. I mean, only 150,000 shorts have covered now, even with the price at this low, right? 58 minutes ago, that was the last update. Only 250,000 of them have covered, apparently, according to our data, right? Which could be wrong. Nothing crazy on the level 2 data. Let me see. Did I miss any big orders or big sales while I was out? Did I miss any big orders for BNGO? I actually have AMC puts. I might be screwed. Oh, damn. You have AMC puts, bro? When did you open them? Should I take profits on this and then throw them in the BNGO? Oh, man. I can add one BNGO share with this profit that I make if I sold right now. I don't think I'm going to sell, though, because it's about to get support at the 5-minute. Yeah, it's about to get support right here. Most likely. All right. Anything more is we? Yeah, honestly. Brandon needs to add a fedora to the suit for luck. I cannot really see myself doing that, to be honest with you, my friend. I cannot really see that happening. I don't know. I am not shaving the beard, though. Hey, let me give you a zoom in on the beard. There we go. We're not shaving the beard until $10. Not shaving until BNGO hits $10. It doesn't really matter because I can't really grow much of a beard anyway. It's pretty much just like, I don't know. I can't grow a beard, so it doesn't really matter. Oxygen and JAGX are green. Oxygen's not green. Bro, where are you getting that? Why do you think Oxygen is green? What did you say? JAGX as well? JAGX is doing well. This stock is so boring, I feel like. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I guess it's pretty similar to Bionano. I mean, I guess the chart pattern is at least almost up 100% if you buy the lows. Similarly to Bionano, not 100%, but close. Man, yeah, I think I'm gonna have to sell that AMC share. I think I'm gonna have to add one BNGO share for my profits. I think we're gonna have to do it. I think we're gonna have to do it, man. I'm gonna set a sell order for. Let's see. I'm gonna set a sell order. I'm gonna set an order at the previous high. Yep. Boom. 49.70 selling. See if it gets filled. Probably won't. We'll probably start bleeding now. I'll probably have to sell lower. That's how it is. That's how it is, boys. Yeah, not with the neck beard though. Neck beard, yeah, neck beard. Yes, it's good luck. It's good luck for Bionano. Agreed. I think Brandon would look good in a fedora. Really? Really? I don't know about that. I don't know. It's the right thing to do. Had it at 295. Dang. Dang, man. 631 for Bionano right now. I don't like it. Is there any news that I missed while we were out? I'm guessing no, because of course not. There's never anything exciting going on in the freaking while we're streaming. Nope, nothing there and nothing there. Nothing, man. Nothing. Whoa, 168,000 shares. Yeah, I missed it. Yes, I did miss that. Yes, I did. What tick? 641. That must have been a while ago, man. What tick? 12, what was it? What time? What time was that at? I'm going to be scrolling down forever, aren't I? You better not be messing with me. You better not be messing with me, man. Just rock a suit and a bandana headband. What? Use some YouTube dollars to buy a fedora. No, the YouTube money is going to the freaking 10,000 BNGO shares, my friend. I got to get 10K shares first. Dude, Havana Woody is making me look like a freaking, a freaking baby. He's got like freaking, what is it? 36,000 shares, man. I don't know if any of these people are telling the truth, but apparently I got nothing. I mean, y'all are making my position seem like it's nothing. Seriously. Which is a problem. I feel like BNGO can only be 3 or 5% in any direction. Always these two numbers. Oh, it's kind of true. Only 3% and 5%. Oh, dang. Yeah, I didn't even realize we're down 5% now. I was just looking at, oh, dang. Yeah, guys, I'm going to be honest with you. The chart pattern does not look good today for Bionano, but I still hold the same opinion, though. I really do. I think that it's likely that the shorts are going to cover, at least some of them, they're going to cover at the end of the day. I mean, that's the pattern that we're seeing here, man. That's the pattern that we've seen earlier, and we are seeing that right now, kind of, a little bit more of shorts covering. So I think it could happen. What interesting observation. Every time a big order comes in on BNGO, it's mirrored on Nano Dimension. Are you serious? No way. No way. That can't be real. That can't be real. I'm not seeing that. Bionano just had 4,000 shares bought. Nano Dimension's not seeing anything. I mean, do you mean big order like 100,000 or what? Like, what's your cutoff? 50,000? 20,000? Gosh, dang, this is depressing. This is depressing. We are kind of forming higher lows, though, kind of. And as when I drew up the trend line last time, literally right when I drew up the trend line, we broke it. It's so funny. Let's see if my bad luck happens again. Hopefully it does not. But we have a little bit of an ascending support here. We'll see. I mean, we only have 3 data points, but we'll see what happens. It's a great time to get in under 550. Yes, watch the 1 minute every day, all over 5K. Interesting. Interesting, very interesting. I don't understand that because they're not really that similar, other than the price, share price, and high growth correlation. That's it. That's all they have in similarity, really, pretty much. 778 average for Oxygen. Yeah, you do have a start of a cup and handle here. Absolutely, absolutely. You need to break above this level, though. You need to break above 929 and confirm it first. You need to confirm that level first. AMC is insane. AMC is insane, man. Oh my gosh. GameStop down 9%. BlackBerry still down. Broader markets doing nothing. This is a boring day. This is a boring day. Here's why I'm so bullish on the rest of the day, though. I'm not super bullish. I just think it's more likely that we go up than down from here. I mean, I definitely think that's going to happen. But I could be totally wrong. And I think that because the NASDAQ and IWM, they've gone up a lot, yet Bionano has not followed suit. Bionano and the high growth sector, really all of it, they're not really following suit. They're going down when the NASDAQ goes down, yet when the NASDAQ and the Russell goes up, they're not following suit. So I think we're likely to be seeing a nice push here before the end of the day. We'll see. Anything can happen. Anything can happen, guys. It's really bizarre to tell the truth, but they have had nearly identical charts since January. Kind of. I mean, yes, but they're kind of different, though. I mean, come on, they're kind of different. Nano Dimension's run started all the way last year. The share prices are fairly different, but the proportions are pretty same. Plus, look at the top here. I don't know. I mean, there's some similarities, but the chart is definitely different. It's definitely fairly different, but they are definitely similar. I see what you mean. Every single big bounce that the NASDAQ and Russell has had, Bionano and Nano Dimension follow suit. Man, we really cannot get any bullish price action right now. I know it does not matter long term at all, but man, this is sad to see. Now we're breaking the ascending level. Dang. Yeah, there is never any volume at this point. Do I even have to say there's no volume? There's never any volume. It sucks. It absolutely sucks. And it is good for us, though, because we are able to get in before the volume comes in, before the FOMO hits, before the PRs start hitting and the revenue beats. Revenue beats have already started, but you know what I mean. 8 million shares traded, average 3-month volume, 24 million. We're not even close. We're not even close. I mean, it's sad. It's depressive at this point. It's depressive. It's absolutely awful. There's no other way to say it. Mara's getting beat down a little bit. I like to see it. I need Mara to get beat down. I need Mara to go down below $20. At least that's what I want. Probably not going to get it, but that's what I want. Dude, there's nothing happening at all. 22,000 shares to be bought at 615. We've got some buy walls coming in. 628, we got a nice 12K buy wall. See if they actually get filled. I bet they won't. Look at the freaking time in sales. I mean, there's no orders getting filled. It's just selling. Look at that. 12,000 shares just sold recently, man. Oh, the only reason you should be selling Bionano right now is that you think inflation is coming or you're short-term trading. With short-term trading is selling now, I wouldn't say that's very auspicious. I would not say it's very auspicious at all. Oh, I hate that we're breaking out. All the progress we made yesterday, we're literally getting rid of all the progress we made yesterday. Very frustrating. Very frustrating. I think we'll close the day. I think we'll close the day pretty well, though. And also, we're below the 21 EMA. Did we get rejected at it then? We did. Oh, my gosh. We just confirmed the breakdown. I didn't even realize that. Oh, my gosh. See, this is what sucks. This is what sucks about the NASDAQ gapping down after we make substantial progress, right? Right now, the EMA, it's at 637. Guess what? We confirmed 637 as a new level of resistance right now. Like, oh, it's so frustrating. That's so frustrating. Man, that sucks. That really sucks. Oh, yeah, you want to talk about how fake walls work earlier. Yeah, so there's a couple different ways fake walls can work. The most common way, I would say, now no one knows this stuff for sure. This stuff is pretty damn speculative, but although some people will say it's 100% guaranteed, it's not. Okay, a lot of the market manipulation claims, there's good evidence for them, but at the end of the day, market manipulation proof is extremely, extremely hard to find. At least I think it is. Anyways, fake walls is not manipulation necessarily, but it's basically when someone puts in an order, and whether it's because of an algorithm, a hedges algorithm, or whether they're just canceling it right before it gets filled, they are putting orders in places trying to deceive everybody and trying to make it look like there's more bulls or more bears than there actually are. Next time we get one here, next time we actually come up to a resistance, I'll kind of tell you what's going on. But we don't really have any right now. I mean, almost all. Oh man, we're not really pushing at all, so we're not really seeing any big sell walls. Remember yesterday's power hour? Yeah, exactly. We'll have to wait until tomorrow. From Monday, BNGO will start to go up again. Sorry, Brent, I was behind on the stream. I opened my puts at 24 cents. We are at 32 cents now. $10 put, June 25th. Interesting, my friend. Interesting. We're going to be fine after the Fed speaks. I like to see us get back over 668 before close. Yes, I know. I would like to see us get above this descending resistance, which is, yeah, basically exactly at 664, 668, basically. Yeah, more 664. Yeah, that's what I want. And I really want us to close above the EMA. And we just confirmed the breakdown, so it looks like maybe we won't. If the markets give us some help, we can close green today. I promise you, we can. We can. A little bit of shorts covering, right? The normal shorts covering amount, right? 500,000 short shares covered. Based on the recent past, that's what typically happens. If that happens with the markets going up, we can end the day green. We can. Now, we don't need to long term. Remember, I make it sound like the short term is so important. It's really not. It's really not. Let's look at AMC. Gosh, that's crazy. That's crazy. I did not expect that to work out. How many people actually? I think I already asked this, but I didn't really see. How many people actually took that trade? Matched my trade for AMC? I want to hear some celebration from y'all. Not bragging celebration, but celebration, because 20% in a day is insane. Yeah, that's insane. And I know some of you got better entry point than me. I got in at 39. Some of you caught that dip at 37, man. I know some of you did. Yeah. Yes. I never look at bid or ask side. They mean nothing. But inexperienced traders get scared out of or into positions, estimate the noise, eliminate the noise, and watch hourly charts. Yeah, he has a point. I mean, the level 2 data, although I do think it's a little bit important, at least, you can see where the walls are, and you can see how much they are, and sometimes these are very real. Of course, some of these are real. But at the end of the day, this is more important, right? How much buying is actually coming in, right? How many orders are actually being reported? And of course, these are not all the orders. Of course, there's private exchanges on like dark pools, right? Institutions getting shares without having to report data on the time and sales or the level 2 data. But it's still good. It's still good indication. It's still good. It's something good to watch, you know. Happy to say I bought the dip. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, John Graham. Hell yeah. I bought 3 BNGO shares to help you push up the price, Brand. Let's go. Let's go, man. Let's go. Hey, today is going to be... Dude, I'm telling you guys. I'm telling you. I've said this like 1,000 times. I don't care, though. The short share availability. Couple shorts, I mean, couple 100,000 shorts cover their position by the end of the day. Pair that with the NASDAQ staying sideways. And then the same pattern that we've had out of the last 4 out of the last 5 trading days. It's the same exact pattern, which is basically just shorts covering as time goes on in the day. You've got a case to be made that we're going to be green or close to green by the end of the day. Brandon, do you know which small companies are working with BNGO? Which stocks could benefit from BNGO in the future? Which stocks could benefit from BNGO in the future? There's no telling, man. There's no telling. Let's say Bionano is successful. Other stocks that are going to benefit from that, if anything, the genomics sector is just going to get killed. Well, I guess that depends on how you look at it, right? If Bionano does what we think it is, it's going to take interest and volume and money from these other stocks, from the crappy Pat Bios, from the crappy Invites, right? These crappy companies. It's going to take the volume from those, so it's going to negatively impact those guys if Bionano is successful. Or I guess it could technically be positive because then interest in the genomics sector as a whole goes up. But first one's more likely, I would say. Brandon, are you a gamer? Not anymore, but yeah, I am a gamer. Yeah, man. Hell yeah, Black Ops 3, God of War, Fallout 4. God, what else do I play? I'm blanking out. God of War is really good. The new God of War is really good. I'm actually waiting to get the new one. I want to get the new one. AMC is too rich for me. I made $3,700 on it already. No regrets. Might have to get a ticket if it dips hard. Yeah, I know. I'm trying to get out of AMC right now. And I hope my order fills right now. I'm trying to take those profits and do another BNGO share eventually or today. I don't know. If we stay where we are or we dip more, I'll add another BNGO share. Heck yeah. It looks like the NASDAQ is forming a bull flag. What do you guys think? Let's see that. That's a good observation. Let's see if I agree with you. Yeah, I see what you mean. Yeah, I think so. I think that could be a bull flag. You definitely have a clear ascending support. Wow, that's a really, really clean, very clean ascending support there. And then the descending resistance, however, we may have just broke it, right? Whether it was there or is it going to be there or here, right? You just don't know. So I'm actually going to delete that right now because it's only drawing a resistance with 2 data points is always a little bit, it's not as surefire. You got to be careful when you only have 2 data points. 3 is a lot better, I think. Guns N' Roses, Brandon, patience. Yep. Triple bottom for BNGO. Yeah, I kind of was thinking about that. Here's the thing, man. Triple bottoms are tricky, all right? Because, yeah, 1, 2, 3, but then it's also like, well, you have 3 wicks here. So, and then you have 2 candles here and 3 wick candles here. But, yeah, I do see what you mean. This could be a triple bottom. Absolutely, it could be. And, guys, the W pattern is not been put to death yet. I mean, we could still see a modified W. We certainly could. We certainly could see a modified W pattern here. With the second half of the W just being screwed up, right? But we could see it. I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you, the possibilities for today for Bionano, there are a lot of good possibilities that could happen. Or the market's going to continue dumping, and then we'll end the day even down 6-7%. Okay, seriously. Inflation happens, man. Oh, man. That's why you need buying power. If Bionano, I'm telling you, everybody should be preparing for the worst. Everyone should have some buying power just in case the bear case happens. Not super likely. At least it's not super likely to happen this month, I would say. But if it does, it's going to be brutal. If it does. I'm trading for about 8 months or so now, and I still struggle to resist FOMO. Money is so powerful. Oh, man. All right. Blackberry's green now. AMC, are you going to... Oh, just fill. Just so I'm getting worried now. I want to move this down. Just fill already. I'll take my profits. I will take my profit. I'm up 22%. I will just take my profit. Just go up a little bit more, and I'll take that. I'll take that. 48.54. Come on. Come on, AMC boys, push it up there for me. Come on, let's pump it a little bit just for me to get out of here with my 1 share. I only have 1 share, man. Hey man, if this thing continues to run throughout the day, great. All right, that's amazing. But I am up 20% in a freaking day in like an hour or two, so I am good. I am good to go. Hopefully this fills right now. Please fill. Please, please fill. Uh, you think dollar cost averaging is better than waiting for the dip? Uh, you know, with the inflation risks in the market, I kind of I'm not for me. I'm not doing that. It is smart, however, to accumulate as many shares, I believe, on the way down. Which right now, I mean, we kind of are on the way down. We're kind of pushing short term though. Oh yeah, and I saw a comment earlier. Oh gosh, I hate comments like these. I saw a comment that said one step forward, two steps back. Like, dude, look at the chart. Look at the chart, man. I mean, what did you say when we were in this handle? One step forward and five steps back. Like, dude, it's just we're making higher highs and higher lows. Calm down. We're not gonna go green every day. This is not the end of the world. Like, calm the heck down. We're not taking two steps back now, guys. We're just consolidating because the market is cooling down. Okay, or the bear case is gonna happen right now. Guess what? The bear case happens right now. It doesn't matter long term. So, inflation happens tomorrow. What Fed? What if they start raising interest rates today? If the meeting goes horrible on the economic calendar, right? If we go to the economic calendar, if the Fed meeting here, we got two presidents and the Fed vice chair. These three people are talking. If these people say the wrong stuff, dude, it's done. It's done. We're gonna Bionano will see $5. It will happen. That's why. But that's why for me, it's like, well, I have buying power. I have buying power, but I'm holding, I'm holding a very sizable position, very very sizable position. So, because I would rather be down short term than miss the run up. Because here's the thing: when we talk about miss the run up, this is the kind of run up that I'm talking about. Okay, I don't know if this is going to be this year. I don't know if this is going to be ever. Technically, I'm waiting for a run up like this, and I am going to be holding my shares. All right. Did they have inflation news this week? Was there some inflation thing this week? I forgot. Um, no. Nope. There was the ADP employment. That was the big. That's what sent the market down today, I believe. Or at least one of the things. I think. Do we have anything next week? Do we have CPI? Yeah. Okay, we have CPI. Give core CPI and consumer price index. Yep, next week Thursday that's going to be and consumer sentiment index. Apparently this is pretty big too. I don't really know if many people care about that really, but these two, man. It's going to be a big week next week. I'm telling you, the economic calendar, it's going to be big. It's going to be big in the green or red most likely next few months. Yeah, I can take a look at BIOL, Victor, of course. BIOL. Last I checked, this thing was doing nice. Up 8% right now, still pushing. I like it. Let's look at that daily chart. It's trying to break out. Looks like finally breaking out that descent resistance. You need to hold the day above that 61.8% retracement. You got rejected so many times. So many times. Oh, dang. All right, yeah, you are overextended. Dang, you are overextended on the 4-hourly, though. You need to buy, if you're a BIOL shareholder or if you're looking to add shares, you want this thing to go sideways. Get some more room to run because right now you really can't run much farther. Of course, when the next 4-hourly candle comes in, which is going to be soon, then you'll have more room to run, but you need to wait for that. Oh my gosh, I thought Microvision was Bionano for a second. I was like, oh my gosh, 6% in the red. I was like, oh, deep breath. How big could BNGO's market cap get again? It could get as 156x from its current market cap if Ragnaros' net income, basic not exactly net income, but profit from the free cash flow is going to be 1.8 billion in 2030 alone. 156x at least from the current price, at least. That's not including FOMO. That's not including FOMO, and that's not including anything else that happens. I got AMD and AMC confused this morning. When does the Fed talk about inflation? It's pretty soon. It's going to happen pretty soon. It looks like it's 1 p.m., which is going to be 12 o'clock Central Time, so 13 minutes. 13 minutes is when the Dallas Fed president starts speaking. Let's refresh the short share availability, see if we got any new news here. Nope. Let's refresh this. Gosh, there's no news. Can we get something? We need some sort of news here, man. There's never any news, man. There's nothing. Which is fine, but it's just frustrating, you know? It's just frustrating. Dang, this is the most boring Bionano day I've ever had. And literally, this is the most boring stream for Bionano that we've ever done, man. Oh my gosh, it's literally just going sideways. Got out of AMC, $100 on 10 shares. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, Mike. Congratulations, my friend. Congratulations. Did my order get filled? It did. My order got filled. Let's go. 20% a day. I'm not bragging. I'm just saying congratulations, all of y'all. Be very careful. Hey, just because we got one trade right on this stream, just because we got one trade right 20% a day, does not mean you should match all my live stream trades. Please do not. I will be wrong. Mark my words, I will be wrong. I've been wrong plenty of times. I know most of you know that. 99% of you know that. All right, Powell will deny there's inflation again. Otherwise, Biden's $6 trillion budget won't pass. Yes, but what does JP? Why does JP want that to pass? I don't think it's necessarily he's not necessarily super. I don't know. Why do you think Powell is going to wants it to pass so much? All right. Marcus, why are you always in all caps, my friend? That's too funny. Anyways, while there is nothing going on in the markets, I want to show you guys an awesome thing. Robbie, it's hard to see. I know it's hard to see, but look at this. Trust me, you want to look at this. Go ahead and squint for me. Look, Robbie, May 21st, 35 put. Oh, man. It's too good. Not quite as good as this one. This is my favorite one, maybe ever. Because it's got inside jokes. Come on, Robbie and Dr. Pepper is too good. And we got this one. This one's pretty good, too. May the Sabbath be with you. I don't really know much about Baby Yoda. All I know is that he's in the Mandalorian, though, and that's all I know. Is that even Baby Yoda? I don't even know. Okay, I don't watch the Mandalorian. I watch the prequels. I rewatch the prequels, and I don't watch the sequels because they suck. Is the Mandalorian really good? Is the Mandalorian really worth watching? I saw the scene where Luke comes in, and that looks cool, but everything else is it's Disney, man. I don't want to watch Disney crap. Everything Disney does turns crappy. All the Disney movies, oh gosh. Don't get me started with Disney and Star Wars. Who is Robbie? What, Victor? You don't know who Robbie is? No, you know who Robbie is. Robbie's the guy who said Bionano was going to $3 flat on May 21st, and then he disappeared. Honestly, not that many people know about him. Honestly, I mean, I would guess because it was like a few weeks ago. It was at May 13th, so it was more than 15 days ago. It's closest to original series in quality. Really, is it really that good? All right, are you guys really gonna make me watch that? Did you watch Rogue One? Yes, I did. I did, and I did not really like it. It was okay. The end of it was okay. Everything else was horrible. I'm very picky with movies, though. I only like the best of the best. Lord of the Rings, Braveheart, Hacksaw Ridge, Spartacus, Game of Thrones, Vikings, most other crap. I don't know. It's all taste. It's all subjective, I guess, right? Whatever. Bear Pennant for me on the daily. No. Bear Pennant, what are you talking about? No. My friend, Bear Pennant, no. I don't mean to be disrespectful here, but this is not a bear pennant. If anything, this is a bull pennant. Why? Because the move before, the prior move was up. It's only if there's a symmetrical triangle, which I don't know where you're seeing a symmetrical triangle. I mean, maybe here. Let me look. See if you're finding one. Not really. There's really nothing. No. I'm not even seeing a symmetrical triangle, so I don't understand you. Yeah, no, this is not a bear pennant whatsoever. No, not at all. There's no logical way this could be a bear pennant. Like, to have a symmetrical triangle after going down is impossible because the move before was up, and we don't even have a symmetrical triangle. So no, it's not a bear pennant in my book. But please make your own decisions. You really have to get the Star Trek series on your belt. Are you serious, Havana? You better. That better be good. I've seen the trailer and not the trailer. I've seen commercials for it, and it looks. I mean, I seriously laugh when I see it. Okay, not to be disrespectful, but are you serious? Really? Is it good? Totally matching your every move now. That's funny. That's funny, man. Next time I add one share to something like, oh, in life savings. Oh man, have you watched Clone Wars? Dave something directed it. The same director for Mandalorian. Directive executive. Are any of you guys gonna see the what do you call it? The third Conjuring? Has anyone seen that? The Devil Made Me Do It. Has anyone seen that? I'm gonna watch that. I like the first two Conjurings were fantastic. I love the Conjurings actually. That's the only scary. Well, those are the best two scary movies for me. Most others are not the best. 631 right now. Absolutely nothing going on. Absolutely zero. I mean, there is nothing going on right now. It is so. I mean, we're basically talking about movies, and I'm not even mad about we're talking about movies because there's nothing to talk about. There's nothing to talk about. The broader markets are just going sideways. Bionano's doing. I mean, can you even call this sideways? This is just a dead. Bionano stock is just dead today. Obviously, long term we're great. Don't think I'm bearish. I'm holding. This is 100% of my portfolio, my friends. 100%. I'll show you. You want me to show you my portfolio? All right, boom. There you go, bitch. There's my portfolio. Boom. Yes. So I'm still bullish, but I mean, it is just dead today. I mean, look at the freaking volume. Look at this. All right, we're barely a bit ahead of Nano Dimension. If we just compare this for the last few days, it's actually on, I believe it's on par, kind of. If we look at, let me look at the 2 hourly. Yeah, it's on par with the last 2 days. It's actually beating yesterday, but here's the problem, guys. If you zoom out, it's nothing. We need 70 million in volume or something better than freaking 20 million to get the squeeze started. Without the volume and interest increase in the stock, the only other way the squeeze starts is by PR, and then the volume will increase, right? So it's not looking great. It's not. I mean, it is still looking good. If we can close above 638 today, I'll say it's looking very good. And if we can go above 660, 664, then it's looking extremely good. But we'll see. All right. I think all the fear of inflation is already in the price. As soon as the numbers are out, we will go up again. I don't know about that. I don't know about that, man. Here's the thing. Do you really think that's priced in, though? I don't think it is, though. I don't think it is fully because look at the valuation. Like, yes, we've had a correction, but if you just look at look at this, man. Look at this. We're still very highly valued. You know, do the economic policies by the government in recent times do those justify the insane 50% run up? Close to 50% run up on the Nasdaq since the pre-COVID highs? I don't know. It's hard questions. I'll just say this: if inflation is as bad as Peter Schiff thinks, it's going to be bad. I'll say that. But is it going to happen? No one knows, man. No one knows. Also, talking about the Nasdaq, higher highs and higher lows. Actually, well, higher lows, not really higher highs though. $630. Oh my gosh, this sucks. Japanese film Audition, 1999. The original series is corny. Remember, it was 1968. But yeah, it's an important sci-fi base. Enjoy it for what it was and the storylines. Should watch that or The Mandalorian first? So who's watching The Conjuring? Is no one seeing The Conjuring? Isn't it coming out really soon, or is it already come out? I don't know. I'm seeing it this week. And that's a big deal because I never go to movies, but I like The Conjuring so much, so I'm gonna go. Brandon, can you do GME and AMC? I can certainly do those. Yes. Okay, so AMC right here. We did trade this one. This is an interesting AMC, man. AMC is an interesting one. You got to bounce off the 4 hourly 21 SMA, right? That's where we did our trade, right on that moving average. Where are you going now? Well, it got another offering to my knowledge. And the shorts have not covered yet for AMC. That's the thing. That's the key here. The shorts have not covered yet for AMC to my knowledge. Or at least some of them. Here, let's look at the updated data. They update it every freaking 5 seconds. I wish they would update Bionano that often. That would be nice. Okay, here you go. You see, this is what I'm talking about 3 minutes ago, man. Dude, the shorts in AMC, I mean, how else do you say it? They're not covering. There's no other way to say it. 650,000. It was 3 million a few hours ago. New shorts are taking new positions. They're trying to push it lower. And here's the thing. if the AMC crowd can hold on here and stay united, this thing is going to go up. This thing is going to go up. But here's the thing. Here's the other thing, right? There's so many contingencies here. It needs to go sideways a little bit before it can start going 100% up in a day, I would say. Because if you look at the RSI, right, you're still overbought. I mean, you're still overbought. If we look at the weekly, you're at freaking 87. And also, if you look at the Bollinger Bands, dude, you're still way above the outside weekly Bollinger Band. And the number of times that you close above the weekly Bollinger Bands consecutively, sequentially, dude, almost never. I mean, basically never. So here's the thing. That's why I sold the AMC, man, because there's a lot of risks. But I can see it. I can see it going way up again. I can also see it going down to 30. Seriously. It's no one knows how the AMC crowd is going to do. It literally all it is how determined the hedges are, how much manipulation they do, and how determined the AMC crowd is. That's all it is. That's as simple as it gets for AMC, man. I think it is. Company go Burr, more printer go Burr. Go PR. I see what you did there. That's funny, man. I hear RKT is one of the most shorted stocks on the NASDAQ stock exchange, New York Stock Exchange. Dang, $50. Oh my gosh, AMC is looking like I shouldn't have sold. Hey, when you're up 22% in a day, guys, never get mad at yourself. This is a nice lesson here. Hold on. Let's get Do Not Disturb on. I forgot to put Do Not Disturb on. Oh my gosh, that 52 now. Dude, this thing goes up so quickly. Oh my gosh. But anyways, man, if only Bionano would do this. Anyways, what was I going to say? I forgot what I was going to say. Dang it. Oh, yeah, I was going to say, guys, when you're up 22% on day trade, dude, never beat yourself up for selling. I don't care what company is. These companies don't know your name. If you're in the green 20% on a day trade, never beat yourself up for selling. That's why I sold, man. That's why I got out of there. Zome is running. Is it still? It was up like 8% last we checked. Oh, damn. Holy 20% in the day, man. Come on, man. I wanted to catch that run. I like short-term trading Zome. I like trading this one. I haven't traded it in a long time, but this is a fun one to trade. Not gonna happen. Not trading anymore, right? I mean, not when it's up 20% on the day. Heck no. 635 for Bionano, finally getting a green candle. I think the market's just pumped a little bit because it looks like everything is kind of running right now. Yes, the market's just pumped. Finally, Bionano is getting some sort of a reaction, like a 2-cent reaction from the markets. Finally. Buying pressure is coming in. Look at that level 2 data, man. Look at that beautiful green candle right there, man. Just focus on the... Just go to the 1-minute candle. Look at the 1-minute chart. Just zoom in. It's looking good, guys. It's such a great day. If you zoom out, oh no. Titanic. Everyone died. I want to watch Titanic. I haven't seen Titanic in a long time. I need to see that again. I can't watch it anywhere. I can't watch it. I guess I can record it. Is it on TV? Where to watch the Titanic? I don't have those. Fed news. Oh, it might have been actually. It might have been. Maybe. Should we start watching the Fed stuff on CNBC? Should we start doing that? Is it on Netflix? No, it's not. Titanic is not on Netflix, is it? If it is, I'll be happy. I think now at 1 p.m. the fear of the numbers falls and the market rises again. 1 p.m. is in 12 p.m. Central. 1 p.m. is in Eastern time or what? Watch for the Fed stuff. Should we start watching CNBC? But it's so boring though. It's so boring. Ah, man. When me Kevin does that, it's like you know. I don't know. Should we do it? I'll do it if y'all want. I don't care. Holding out for 1500 on Nano Dimension. So Havana is long on Nano Dimension right now. Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. Let me look at the short interest for Bionano, see if we got any updates. Right. Yes, watch CNBC and Bloomberg. The short squeeze score keeps going up for Bionano, man, and not for no reason. The short share availability is not going up much, yet the price is being suppressed. Also, though, the short borrow fee rate just went up a little bit. That can be because of increased demand for short shares. So we know what the hell is going on. Brandon, you should set a goal to establish a 25K day traders account. Yes, I should, and I am actually going to do that. Yeah, my other account, my Roth IRA account, is actually good to go. And I got someone asking me about the Roth IRA because they thought I was not going to do it because it didn't make sense for me. It is true, but I didn't know about the 10K exception that you can do for a Roth IRA for your first house payment. So I'm going to do that. Hopefully, I mean that's the plan. BB BlackBerry, man. Wow, AMC. Let's see. AMC is still going. Oh my, dang. Damn. 634 right now for Bionano. It's so boring. It's so boring. This is what makes me think we should do this, the CNBC stuff. Congrats on almost 4K subs. I think you're going to be 10K by the end of quarter 2. 10K by the end of quarter 2. Damn, that's a nice prediction. I hope you're right. My friend. I'm hoping BNGO forms a cup and handle today out of this setup. Cup and handle? Yeah, I guess we could get one of those. Yeah, I see what you mean. Could be. Yeah, I can see that happening. I can definitely see that happening. I still think the exact same thing. It's still pretty early. We still got what, 3 hours till the market close, or 2 hours and 50 minutes, dude. We have plenty of room. And the market's going up like they are. I don't know why Bionano is not following suit. I guess one reason is because, number one, no interest, no volume. But number two, shorts are not really covering. And we have like 500,000 shares of shorts that are going to probably be covered based on the past few days. Based on the past few days, man. You can really grow your base rapidly with short trades of 500 to 5,000 of profit a day with just 25K. We're going to be doing more day trades and more swing trades as my actual other account gets ready. After I actually deposit money in there, if I remember. I need to do that today. Well, if we break the 638 resistance, we could run up to form the second half of the cup. Yeah, but right now we're getting rejected there. Yeah, exactly. That's the problem. That is the problem. Getting rejected at the 21 EMA on the weekly chart. We confirmed the breakdown perfectly, and I hate it. I absolutely hate to say it, but I mean, I told you yesterday it was going to be a big indicator. We confirmed the breakdown perfectly. Only way we go up, I mean, there's a lot of ways we break it again, but it's going to take a little bit of pushing. It's going to take a little bit of bulls. A little bit of the bulls forming together and actually causing some buying pressure to come in for once. 12,000 shares sold or 8,000 shares sold, man. Come on. Gosh dang. All right, there's only 90 viewers in here right now. I'm going to go refill my water and go to the bathroom really quickly, I think. I'm going to go run out there. I'll be back in like 1 minute. All right, boys. Be back in 1 minute. By the time I am back, I want Bionano to be at $7. If Bionano is not at $7 by the time I come back, I'm throwing my computer and it's going to die, and I'm going to die. All right. Speedrun incoming. Hell yeah. 634. 634 right now. Simon from ARK. Whoa! Why? Right when I come back, why do I get 16, 18, almost 20,000 shares being sold right there? Like, really? Come on. Come on. Oh my gosh. Ah! Oh man. Someone has kidnapped Brandon. Simon from ARK. That's too funny. That's too funny, man. AMC. Bleeding right now. AMC is bleeding. Are the broader markets doing anything? No, not really. They're dumping a little bit right now. Dang, this is the most boring day ever. Why? All right. In the bathroom for you, you moosh. Resistance at 745 on Nano Dimension. Looks like it. A little bit of a decent resistance there. Little bit of a decent resistance. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You got a decent resistance there for Nano Dimension. Let's refresh this crap. Let's finally get some news. Come on. This is it. This is the time right here. They're going to do something. They're going to do some sort of news. This is it right here. I have a feeling. Oh, I was like so close to sneezing like twice. I hate that. I absolutely hate that. All right, anyways, Bionano, nothing new on the Twitter. Short interest, nothing new. Oh my gosh, there's nothing new anywhere. There's nothing new anywhere, man. Damn it. No new filings, no new institutional filings. It is sadness and depression. By the way, there is a new article today that we have gone over briefly. It's Larry Raymer. Basically, he just said nothing new. He said he's still bullish on Bionano. That's pretty much all he said. So, yeah, but there's nothing going on today, man. There's nothing going on. BlackBerry 8%. Let me try to find, you know what? Let me try to find another trade target if we can do another trade. Let me see if we can do another day trade here. Oh my gosh, AMC, dude. Oh my. It went up to 58 there. Oh my gosh, this thing is too crazy. This thing is too crazy. Please dip so I can buy again. BlackBerry is almost 400. What? BlackBerry is back to green, big green. This one has got a lot of Wall Street bet attention, man. BlackBerry may be the next one they're trying to get. Next one they're trying to squeeze may just be BlackBerry. Rumble is red now. This is an interesting one. I like this one. I like this. I like what these guys do. That weekly chart, man. They were up. They were valued all the way up there. Getting rejected, that 200-day email on the weekly. Don't like that. Do not like that. Is there any sort of trading we can do with these high growth ones? JMIA up 4%. Doing very well. right after I sold my option. My option I was like barely up with, I think. Or maybe I was up more, I don't know. But yeah, right after I sold it breaks through. That's too funny. It's too funny. JMIA is too good, man. JMIA is too good. Look at this freaking candle, dude. Trader's dream right there. That was such an easy one. AMC, hammer on 5-minute for AMC. Not anymore. Not anymore. That's how volatile it is. Low flow, Joey, GOED. Is that I forgot what that one was. I forgot what company that was. Okay. How about Sundial? Let me go to Sundial. 12% right now. Look at that freaking pre-market run with no volume. Look at that. That's beauty right there. Zero volume at all, but it goes up so much. I love that. So volatile. So extremely volatile Sundial is. Yeah, no. Unless sundial dips a lot. I mean, maybe the 2 hourly you could do. Tell you what, you could do the 1 hour. That's a potential trade right there. Actually, yeah, that is a trade. Here's a trade idea. You want a trade idea, boys? Sundial at 1, 2, 3, 4. But you got to watch where that middle Bollinger Band is on the hourly. That's a trade idea right there. I would do this, but here's the thing: the 1 hourly chart is a little bit what's the word? It's a little bit less for sure than the other ones, I would say. But anyways, I think, guys, we are going to end the stream for the day, actually. One of these. Honestly, I think we are going to end the stream pretty soon just because, honestly, yesterday, the reason why we streamed yesterday so long is because it was an insane day. It was an awesome day. It was exciting. Today, there's nothing. So, I mean, I can come back here in a little bit I can come back absolutely and stream, but right now, there's nothing. There's nothing going on right now. Unless I find some sort of trade that we can open up right now, which I'm not liking anything. I'm not liking the setup enough right now. I'm not liking anything enough to actually trade it live. Me trading not live is different than me trading live because I know people are gonna match me, so it has to be extremely auspicious. Let me just look at my main watch list. See, let me just go all the way down here. I want to trade Bitcoin. That's what I want to trade. I want to trade Bitcoin, but no. Oh my gosh, Bionano is literally just barcoding. Even on the 5 minutes barcoding. Look at the 1 minute is even worse. Absolutely horrible. Absolutely horrible. Maybe we go up when you leave. Yeah, honestly. Yesterday when I came back after the break yesterday, Bionano was literally just dumped. So maybe it's better. Maybe Bionano will do better when when we're not streaming. At 4 Central Time? You mean 2 out? You mean 2 Central Time? All right, yeah, we could do a stream at Power Hour. Yeah, how about that? Does that sound good, guys? Stream at Power Hour, because right now there's just nothing going on. I mean, I'm losing viewers right now because there's just nothing. It's just Bionano barcoding. There's no news at all. We already had a day trade. We already had our day trade. That was like the one exciting thing on the day, right? AMC. I already got out. Right before this, right before I sold right before this. Got in here. I can't complain, but I mean, damn, damn, man. All right. Lack of soup brings stock down. Yeah, that might be true. All right. We just need to hit 9 in 2 weeks. 2 weeks? I don't know if that's going to happen. All right. Gosh, so boring. It's literally just barcoding the entire day. Entire day it's barcoding, except at the very start. Then it just started. Well, I guess it wasn't barcoding that much in here. And then when we came down here, the volume is just non-existent. Barcoding city. All right, let's get out of here. Man. I'm gonna end it. Yeah, all right. Last minute questions. If there's any last minute questions whatsoever, if there's any last minute questions, I'll do those, and then we're getting out, and then we'll come back and then stream. We'll come back and stream the Power Hour most likely. Bought 300 more just now. Awesome, man. Awesome. Long term, you're getting a steal. But if you are gonna buy right now and hold those shares, please understand the inflation risks and the risks with the broader markets. All right, Alex. You're welcome, my friend. You too, my friend. What price would you sell? Never. Buy always, never sell. No, not really. I don't know. I would sell, years from now, probably. At least a year from now, because I'm trying to get that capital gain benefit, honestly. You might as well. If you've been holding for a couple of months, like I am, or at least a lot of these shares I've been holding for a couple of months, you might as well just wait. Honestly, it's really hard. I'm not trying to time Bionano. Here's the thing, man. Short-term trading Bionano is fine, dude. I say it every time, though. One of these days, I swear, mark my words, one of these days, there will be a time where the short-term traders miss out and lose a lot and leave a lot of money on the table, and that money is going to be collected by the long-term hodlers. Any plans on making a plan for inflation video? Inflation video. Yes, I should do an inflation video. I actually have that on my. I have actually already written that down. Yes, I want to do that. I do, but it doesn't get any views. No videos except BNGO gets any views at all. It's very peculiar, but it makes sense kind of. So I don't know. Anyways, all right. All right, guys. We're out of here. We're out of here. Yeah, Zoma up over 20% with 100 million volume. Bionano needs that. Yes, they do. Yes, we do. We need that volume. It'd be a GG if it was. Mark my words. What is a barcode? A barcode is basically when you just go, it's this. It looks like a barcode, right? Well, I mean, I guess a little bit. You just go up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. A lot of people think this is manipulation. A lot of people think this is a lack of volume, combination of the two. It happens with plenty of stocks, you know. So, I mean, not plenty. It's pretty rare. But, yeah, it sucks when it happens. It sucks. It is a sign for manipulation, I would say. I would say it is. Yes. Not proof, but a sign. All right. Green end of day, no worries. I hope you are right, my friend. I think there's a very good chance we will be green by the end of the day, but there are a few contingencies on that, mostly being the shorts and the NASDAQ and the markets. We should be green. We definitely should be green, though, today. We definitely should be. Or at least not 4% down. We should definitely be closer to what Nano Dimension is doing right now. So, yeah. All right. With that being said, we're going to get out of here. All right. Thank y'all so much, man. All right. Thank y'all so much. Did they have inflation? Okay, this thing is not updated yet. Hold on. Hold on. All right, guys. Thank y'all so much. This is not financial advice. Stream power hour today, hopefully. Anyways, I will see y'all in the next one. That was bad time.